Yes.
May I please, Lord? My Lord, item number 26, my Lord. I need accommodation for the day only, my Lord. My entire family is suffering from fever, my Lord. On Friday, my Lord, may be taken. Otherwise, matter is ready, my Lord.
26.
26.
Yes.
I beg
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned by a week.
My Lord, the date may be fixed, my Lord.
Monday next.
Obliged.
Monday or not Monday? Monday to Monday. Oh, on Monday next.
Obliged.
Monday next date. 23. Yes.
May I please, Lord? I beg to mention item number 12, my Lord.
Yes.
Matter has become infructuous. Item 12.
3. M. Smith, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that by efflux of time, the matter has become infructuous. Also heard 3. Who's on the other side?
Education.
Education. P. N. Sharma, Standing Council Education Department, as well as the Standing Council, SEBA. SEBA D.K. Roy or T. Chutia? T. Chutia, huh? Matter. Petition accordingly dismissed as infructuous. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I'd like to mention item number 43, Your Lordship. In the,
43.
as per the last order, Your Lordship, we were directed to make implement a new incumbent, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we need 2 weeks time to file the same, Your Lord.
Okay. On a prayer made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable filing of impleadment application.
Of new incumbent. Obliged.
Yes.
May I please, your Lord? My Lord, item number 7.
Madam, you have informed the other side.
Actually, I tried contacting them, Your Lordship. I will inform them. Your Lordship.
Don't do this mistake in this court. We'll impose personal cost upon the council. This we will not tolerate. Why do you mention it without informing?
Your Lordship, I tried contacting them.
Pride is not enough. Just place your position in the other side. You wait till 4 o'clock. Matter has been adjourned. What is the objective of repeating the same thing every morning? You go to the other benches, learn from the other benches. Go to Arunachal Pradesh. Go to Nagaland. If in the principal say you are not imbibing this practice, what are you learning? Unfortunate.
I will inform them.
Let the matter reach. Don't mention without consent. Yes. Item?
Lord, let the matter reach.
Yes.
Fine.
Item number? Yes.
If ready, respondent, Lordship. I am the principal. Selection has been challenged, Lordship.
Who's for the petitioner? D. Kulita?
Lordship. Appointment has been given, Lordship. Finally, first case, Lordship. It's not D. Kulita.
Mohanto is for the caveator.
Yes, I am principal.
Caveator.
Yet for selection, Lordship, it was held. They have fallen because they were temporarily appointment contractual employee. Preference ought to be given as per their. But in the advertisement, how can I give it? The DSC guideline is there. Okay.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Sri Bhuya for?
1 and 2. I do.
Sri Bhuya, learned Standing Council,
I do.
Higher Education,
So 1 and
is present for respondent numbers 1 and 2, whereas Sri D. Mohanto, learned counsel, is present for respondent numbers 3 and 4. Pero, in the interest of justice, matter is adjourned. to be listed after a week.
But
I can see.
Wait, Vijay. Just stay vacating application, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, to find the order granting stay at page 29. Here, your lordship,
You are the applicant.
and the applicant.
Okay.
The
Yes,
matter
you'd
is-
like to file objection
My
over.
lord.
Let him file
My
objection.
lord.
Okay. Heard Sri P. Bharadwaj, learned counsel for the applicant who by means of this application has prayed for vacation of the interim order para on the prayer of Sri K.R. Padgiri, learned counsel for the opposite party writ petitioner. Matter is adjourned by 2 weeks to enable filing of objection.
My lord.
Full stop. List after, list will fix a date. List on, yes. Suggest a date. Today is 16th. One, two, on last,
First, my lord.
on 27th.
Right.
27th.
Hmm.
File it before
My
that.
lord.
Last week will be difficult. 27th. Para, interim order passed earlier to continue till the next day of listing.
Apply.
I hate
Apply.
right?
Great news a lot. But
Yes.
this matter, they have sought for an impleadment. There is an admission on his own application, that page number 11, that he's not a direct and necessary party. And moreover, the issue involved here is a department.
Who are you?
I'm the petitioner, writ petitioner, respondent in this IE.
They seek themselves to be impleaded.
Impleaded, It's a
Okay.
departmental and an independent proceeding, against me. And we have sought, and there is an interim order protection so that no coercive action should be taken. And he's made an.
Mr.
admission-
Bhuya, who are you?
My lord, I am one.
You'd
of
like
the-
to file objection over?
Objection.
Let him file objection.
My lord.
Heard Sri Bhuya, learned counsel for the applicant who by means of this application has sought for impleadment in the connected WPC 3868 of 2024 para on the prayer of Sri H. Vitala, learned counsel for the opposite party writ petitioner. Matter is adjourned by 2 weeks
Me.
to enable filing of objection affidavit.
Hell, you bless.
Para, list on same date, no? We'll have it on 27th. File it before that.
Surely, sir.
Obliged.
Oblige me.
Please, your lordship, I'm on behalf of MSSGI, your lordship. He's suffering from some eye infection, your
Okay,
lordship.
we'll have some other day
Yes, your lordship.
after a week.
Lordship, I have instruction to take it after.
IA for what?
Lordship,
IA for
I'm not in this matter.
IA
your
for
lordship.
impleadment. Okay, after a week. It is submitted that the learned counsel, Miss SHGF, is having some medical issues. Para, in the interest of justice, list after a week.
But
I have for implement of the accountant general as the respondent number 7, madam.
Heard Sri K.R. Padgiri, learned counsel for the applicant writ petitioner who by means of this application has prayed for impleadment of the accountant general Assam as party respond number
7.
7. It is submitted that presence of the said incumbent would be necessary for a complete adjudication of the matter. Full stop. Para. After hearing, comma, the instant I is allowed and the accountant general Assam is impleaded as the respondent number 7. I stands disposed of. In the writ petition you write, this court wide order passed today, that is so and so date, in IA number 2757 of 2024 has impleaded the following incumbent as respondent number 7. Tolot, Tolot ekdom dhuniya kari accountant general some address. Petition, the learned counsel for the petitioner Sri K.R. Padgiri is accordingly directed to file amended cost title within a period of a week from today. Since Sri S.K. Medhi, learned standing counsel, AG is present, comma, Issue notice to the newly implemented respondent number 7. Para, since Sri SK Mithilan Standing Council for AG Assam is present, comma, he accepts notice on behalf of the newly implemented
Sure.
respondent number 7. Para, let extra copy be served upon him
Amended.
within a period of a week from today.
Obliged.
You give after amending the cost title. Item number.
7. Taking adjournment. My lord, I'm sorry, my lord. My lord, I need to reconstruct the file, my lord.
7 and 8, you are there.
I am here, my lord.
Okay, 7, how are you there?
My lord.
7, you are not there.
No, my lord, 7 is connected. 8, I am
Okay,
there.
it's connected with the, who is for 7?
Lord, my learned senior friend, Mr. D.A. Kayam earlier appears, but from several occasions is not.
Okay, what is your prayer now?
Lord, my prayer is just a short accommodation for a week, my lord. I need to
Okay.
reconstruct the
Okay.
file, my lord.
Though none appears for the petitioner in, these are 13 matters.
My lord, that's
Oh.
why I seek apology, my lord. I
13
have
matters, no.
I misplaced the record, my lord. That
You take the code second file.
yes, very short on next Monday, my lord. Kindly, my lord.
13 matters. Thursday.
My lord.
None appears for the petitioner in WPC 2780 of 2013. Full stop. However, Sri A.R. Bhuiyan, Learned Counsel, who appears for the connected WPC 3473 of 2013, submits that the file has been misplaced
My lord.
and prays for some time to reconstruct the same. Full stop para. Considering that the matters are of the year 2013, comma, 2 days time is allowed and the matter is directed to be listed on Thursday.
My lord.
Date, 19th. Madam, you're for whom?
For our Mazumdar, for department.
Oh.
Arm-
Education Department.
on
Your
page-
name to Danan hai? Please give your name, okay? On behalf of our Mazumdar for Education Department. Which education?
Second.
Secondary education is present. Yes.
Obliged.
And contact your friend, colleague, Mr. Kayum.
My lord, I'll call.
If he's not there, we'll otherwise dismiss for default.
My-
Your matter will take it up.
My lord. Obliged.
May I be pleased, your lordship?
Yes.
Matter may be passed over for time being. My seniors engaged in court number
Item number?
9, your lordship.
Who is your senior?
MSK in your lordship.
But ask her to come 15 matters. Okay, only for time being. We are not adjourning.
Matter. This matter was already had only one instruction, while department on last occasion placed the instruction, but finance was seeking time for instruction. This part had matter. Matter relates to parity of pay of the homeopathic medical colleges research.
This is not part-head. Why do you make submissions like this?
No, Lord,
If you
we-
make it part-head, matter is different. Don't
On
make
20th
submission.
of August, it was listed as part had matter.
When?
On 28th of August.
Thereafter?
Thereafter, it was listed your coordinate bench note, and
Where is the part-head?
on 20th
Tell us.
August, in list it was shown as part had.
It's not part-head.
On
We don't make
13th
matters
August,
part-head.
13th
We don't
August,
make a single matter part-head.
but,
Should not attach a matter with a particular bench. We
No.
here, we completed, that's a different matter.
On 13th matter was heard at length, it was.
Doesn't matter. Unless we make it part-head, we it's not supposed to come again.
No, no.
Unless we are in the same bench.
On 20th in list it was shown. That's why I'm.
There's no
having-
indication.
In list it was indicated as part had. First list.
Yes, so now what is to be done?
My lord,
Again, you have to hear the matter again. If it
matter,
was heard long time back, more than a month back.
yes, my lord. On 13th it was heard, 13th of August.
Yes, instead, what is the submission?
Finance was Supposed to place
Finance was,
inspection.
supposed to
Held
be
has.
so.
Finance,
submitted.
finance,
Mr. P. Nayak is appearing, my lord.
15 matter, call him. 15 matter.
Because, my lord, from health department, the proposal has been submitted to the finance department. my lord.
Wait for a while.
Mike.
Please call Mr. Nayak.
Yes, my lord.
Item number 11.
May I please, your lordship?
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, in this matter, your lordship, D. Mushari is appearing.
Who is appearing?
D. Mushari.
Okay.
So kindly matter may pass over for time being, your lordship.
Records were called for, my lord, last occasion.
Old
Not-
matters, why are you seeking time?
She will be coming, your lordship. for
Okay,
time
after
being,
a
your
while.
lordship. After a
Yes, Mr. Nayak, your matter. Agoto. Agoto, এই মাত্র দেখুন।
Lordship, one copy,
Yes, this one.
Lordship, it appears on 13/5/2019. One direction was issued by this honorable court.
What was issued?
Direction,
Okay, 13/5,
13/5/2019.
19. Thereafter?
Thereafter, Lordship, both the departments sit together, Lordship,
Hmm.
and ultimately matter was health department was issued an instruction to take a policy decision, Lordship, for granting AICT pay scale to the teaching staff of homeopathic medical college.
Hmm. This was of 2022.
Yes, Lordship, and this has been furnished to me once again, Lordship, stating that the position is same, even today. Nothing has come from the health department. So my position will be, Lordship, let this matter go back to the department, Lordship.
No, but 22, this, after a joint meeting,
Yes,
a resolution was adopted. Now we are in 2024, more than 2 years. Health department, yes, what policy decision have you adopted?
My lord, after that, I don't have any instruction right now, my lord. But my lord, our stand is clear in our affidavit, my lord.
Affidavit filed when?
Quite long back, not after that, my lord.
No, this is pursuant to an order of the court.
Yes, my lord.
Now, if you have set and you have resolved to explore on the option of having a policy decision, either you take or you do not take. If you take, matter ends there. If you do not take, we'll adjudicate, and we are in fact adjudicating. 2019 matter,
2015 matter.
15 matter, last, the substantial order was passed in 2019.
Your lordship may pass a direction to make endeavor either taking a policy decision or.
No. That we are not reiterating. We are not reiterating. 13/5 orders were passed. You had taken a decision to have a policy. You are also appearing for medical education.
Yes, my lord.
And this was marked to you. It was a meeting. Though this is an instruction to the standing council, but it reflects everything. This communication was not placed on record earlier.
No, my lord.
P. Nayak, learned standing counsel, finance department has placed on record our written instructions. No, communication containing written instructions dated 27/6/2022, as per which, after a joint meeting of the Health and Family Welfare Department and the Finance Department, comma, the Health and Eligibility Department being the administrative department was to take a policy decision for granting AICTE pay scale to the postgraduate teaching staff of homeopathic medical colleges with justifications and work out the financial implications. Full stop. Though the aforesaid communication is of June 2022, comma, the learned standing counsel for the health department, Sri Bora, DP Bora, does not have any instructions in this regard. Para. In view of the categorical stand of the departments which would appear from the communication dated 27/6/2022, comma, Sri Bora, the learned standing counsel, is directed to obtain specific instructions on the aspect of taking the policy decision as per the meeting, as per the joint meeting, which was held pursuant to the order dated 13/5/2019, passed in this proceeding. Full stop. List on. We'll have it on 25th, 26th. You get enough time.
Yes, ma'am.
Thursday, we'll dispose of the matter.
26th of September, my lord.
26th.
Much, much.
May I please direct?
Hmm.
The matter relates to my lord, non-payment of salary, my lord.
Salary.
Yes, my lord. During the pendency of this writ petition, my lord, the petitioners were.
I'm sorry. Wait, your lordship. Lordship, here I have received the instruction. These petitioners were initially illegally and irregularly appointed teachers and now subsequently in terms of the cabinet.
Tutor.
Tutor. They have
Not tutor.
They have been accommodated as teacher,
Teacher.
except for the petition number 9.
Yeah.
The rest has been accommodated as teacher and they have already accepted the terms and conditions and they are getting their salary.
What about 9?
9, lordship. Perhaps
Yes, Mr. Sharma, what about 9?
My lord,
Are you pressing this application?
so far 9 is concerned, my lord, that 9 has not been accommodated.
No, are you pressing the application still?
My lord, that complete document as regard accommodations that I couldn't.
No, he will record his statement.
But so far 9 is concerned, my lord.
9, they'll have some justification.
Lordship, if they do not fulfill the criteria of getting salary of the 2007, and if they do not have that basic training,
No, training I have an Excel.
there are certain conditions upon which these illegally and irregularly appointed teachers were accommodated, lordship.
How many petitioners are there?
9.
There are 9, lordship. All the petitioners except for the petitioner number 9 has been accommodated as teacher. And they have accepted their appointment and they have joined and they are getting their salary.
What is your instruction on the consideration aspect of 9?
9 training is there, pay 70.
No.
Sonalata Gogoi.
Why did you seek time to file additional affidavit, Mr. Sharma?
My lord, regarding the accommodation order, my lord.
Sonalata Gogoi Lordship, not approved by the government for accommodation for not fulfilling those criteria. What criteria? Of getting salary up to 2007. If for teacher as well as for the tutor, basic criteria is should have been getting salary up to 2007. And if they are having the diploma of the basic.
9 can make an independent challenge. We close this. We'll not close the avenues for 9. We'll leave it open. Okay.
This petition will remain pending.
No, this we'll close this petition. For 9, we'll leave an avenue open. If she wants to challenge the non-consideration part, she can independently do. Because there has been some application of mine. It may be erroneous. Yes, instructions.
Or but my lord, so far the petition number 9 is concerned, my lord. The selections has been made, my lord, after following due process, my lord. Select list also, my lord, I have annexed, my lord. So if lord, what ground they have shown, my lord, I don't know, my lord. So let them file an affidavit and others may, my lord, I will not press because there is a conditions not to, my lord, claim. Because I will have to file and again, my lord.
So the petition number 9 is reflected in serial number 834, Lordship.
Yes, ground.
Not accommodated, not considered by the government, not approved by the government for accommodation. So there are only criteria was that they should have been getting salary up to 2007 and the basic pay.
What ground, my lord, they have shown that for not approving or.
These are complied list of petitioners who have been offered the appointment. Because this exercise was done in respect of an order of this court, 2/3/2021 in WPC 8478 of 2019. Heard Sri R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri P. N. Sharma, learned standing counsel, Elementary Education Department. You are appearing, no? Para. Considering that this writ petition is of the year 2017 and noting the written instructions received, noting the instructions received by the learned standing counsel, including standing counsel, comma, this writ petition is taken up for disposal at the admission stage, full stop, para. Please have your seat. The petitioners who are 9 in numbers claim to have been selected for appointment to the post of assistant teachers of LP schools in the district of Lakhimpur. Full stop. Subsequent to such selection, comma, the petitioners were appointed as assistant teachers of various LP schools under the block elementary education officer, comma, Naubuisha in the district of Lakhimpur. Full stop. It is also averred that the services of some of the petitioners were regularized, and for the others, comma, those were adjusted against adjusted against vacancies arising from retirement, expiry of the earlier incumbents. Full stop. The petitioners also claim to have undergone Assam Junior Basic Training and after completion of the same, comma, they were allowed to draw regular time scale of pay. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioners were in connection with not releasing of their salaries, monthly salaries, without any reasons. And accordingly, the writ petition was filed. Full stop. It is para. Sri Sharma, the learned counsel, has submitted that non-payment of salaries to regularly appointed teachers who had also undergone the formalities of training subsequently is wholly unreasonable and arbitrary. Full stop. The learned counsel has, however, submitted that there are subsequent developments which has been intimated to him. Full stop. Para. Sri per contra, comma, Sri P.N. Sharma, the learned standing counsel, has submitted that similarly situated persons like that of the petitioners were found to be illegally appointed at one point of time, and on such detection, comma, the initially, comma, the salaries were stopped. Full stop. However, comma, when the issues were brought before this court in various writ petitions, comma, this court had passed an order dated 2/3/2021, pursuant to which a detailed exercise was made to resolve the matter. Full stop. After such exercise, comma, fresh appointments were offered to those incumbents who were found to have fulfilled the eligibility criteria. Full stop. It is submitted that out of the 9 petitioners in the present case, comma, 8 petitioners, except the petition number 9, have already been newly accommodated as teachers, and such appointments have been offered and accepted. Full stop. So far as the petition number 9, Srimati Sonalata Gogoi, is concerned, comma, as per the written instructions and the enclosures thereto, comma, her case was not approved by the government for accommodation. Full stop. While the decision not to approve the case of the respondent number 8 or 9 would still be open for challenge if so advised, comma, there is no requirement for further adjudication of the writ petition so far as the other petitioners are concerned. Full stop. Para. In view of the above discussions, comma, the writ petition is closed. However, with liberty to the respondent number 9 to espouse her grievance if so advised.
My lord, case 54, my lord, is the regularization order. So far 9 is concerned, my lord.
We have already recorded here earlier.
Since our service has already been regularized, my lord. So
The written instructions along with the enclosures are made part of the records.
okay. Public.
What is the connected case? IA?
I, my lord, is for corrections of, my lord, the name of the school of the petitioner.
Disposed of. In view of the final orders passed in WPC, for instance, there is no requirement to pass any orders in IS, for instance. According to the same is closed.
Public. May I be your lawyer?
Yes.
I think we are supposed to file a reply affidavit, my lord, and during the course of the day, my lord, I will start the copy and file the copy. Reply affidavit. That record looks it.
Okay, Sri Ahmed, the learned counsel for the petitioners, submits that our rejoinder affidavit is ready and will be filed
During the course of the day.
during the course of the day. Para, list for consideration on when?
Date of-
Wednesday?
My lord, data part looks it, lots will found difficult in keeping continuity of the presentation, my lord. What has happened, my lord? They have filed a common affidavit on 18/8/18. Against them, we have filed reply, my lord. That common affidavit is not in the record, my lord. They might have placed in the leading cases. Earlier, all these cases were in the figured in the
Okay.
series, my lord, batch. So, my lord, remaining documents
Okay.
remain.
List on, we'll give some time. List on 25th of September. In the meantime,
Our
copy of the copy of the common affidavit filed in WPC
2017, public 17, 2017.
Your Lordship, we have filed here in 7914, it is on record.
Oh, they have filed 7914.
Not in the record, lord.
It is on record.
It is on record.
The office-
19/7/2023, you have filed.
7914 of 2017.
That is not difficult. My lord. Earlier common affidavit, my lord. They have filed a common affidavit in all series cases, my lord.
Common affidavit will not come. Here,
No, we
a
have
separate
to
affidavit is
file.
there. List on we'll have day after tomorrow. Wednesday, the rejoinder affidavit may be tagged with the record.
Our reply is in record, my lord.
Yes.
Against the common affidavit, we have filed a reply that is in the record. But the common affidavit is not in there.
Now, here, since a separate affidavit has been filed on 19/7/2023, and you are filing your rejoinder
No, that
today,
is, my lord, government stand, my lord, not as a reply to the para was coming, my lord.
we will consider Wednesday, it's all matter. In this middle part, you don't write, okay? That part. Okay, day after tomorrow. Ensure filing it now, so that it can be
Lordship,
tagged.
lordship, lordship.
May I please, your Lord? My lord, as per order date 15/12/2023, we are directed to file the amended post title for striking out the name of my lord, response number 4, my lord. We have filed it as per office note, my lord, 13/9/2024.
Yes, we have seen.
Yes, ma'am. The other proceedings are complete, my lord. It will go for admission, ma'am.
What does it come for? Admission only.
Okay.
We have
These
filed
are
for
all
affidavit, your
matters,
lordship.
all matters, argue. 18 matters they are adjourning.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the another senior counsel was engaged, my lord. Another counsel is.
You argue, what is the problem? These are 18 matters, we are in 2024. Does it look good? Tell us.
That is true, my lord.
Who will argue?
My lord.
I would
the-
like to argue, your lordship.
My lord.
No,
the-
you like to argue from the petitioner.
My lord, the engaged counsel, my lord, the Angan Bora has been engaged, my lord, advocate, my lord, in this case, my lord. They were engaged.
What is the matter?
My lord, matter is, my lord, the petitioner service was not provincialized, my lord, as advanced mathematics, my lord, teachers. My
Okay,
lord,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday, my lord.
Wednesday,
Wednesday, after my 18.
no matter.
On request, list for admission hearing on Wednesday.
My lord,
Can it be on 20th, your lordship?
Which one?
20.
Friday will be difficult. On 19th we can have, 19th, not on
If
Wednesday.
you-
19th.
I'm deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lord, the matter relates to Milord, selection and appointment as a part-time computer instructor in the Milord Secondary School under a Milord scheme known as Dr. Banikanto Kakuti Computer Literacy Program. Milord, the petitioner applied and a verification exercise had also been carried out. His Milord name has also been empaneled in the list of selected candidates. Milord, what happened, Milord? Thereafter, no appointment had been offered. So, Milord, run from pillar to post in the department, but no positive. The reason why I have not been appointed was not coming, Milord. Thereafter, Milord, I approached before this honorable court, Milord, and an affidavit has been filed. And in that affidavit, the cause has been shown that the Milord computer, Milord qualification which I did obtain is not a valid one, Milord. That is the stand of the department, Milord. But in the first round of verification exercise, Milord, when they have checked my all the credentials, there was no any such objection. That's why my name had been, Milord, empaneled in the list, Milord. That is the crux of the case, Milord. My certificate, Milord, is the annexure 1 of my writ petition, Milord. Sorry.
Page
My lord, may kindly turn to page, Milord.
15,
Yes, yes. No, Milord, page 12.
12, yes.
12, Milord, annexure 1 is the mark sheets of that qualification from Eastern Institute of Integrated Learning in Management, University Sikkim, Milord.
Hmm.
So this they have doubted, Milord. And in the affidavit which they have filed, in paragraph.
Yes, let us see their stand.
My lord.
They are the employer, they have the
Their
liberty
stand is,
to, liberty to verify all the documents.
my lord. My lord.
If it is a genuine degree, certificate, there
Mal.
should not be any difficulty. Yes, Mr. Who will do the
My lord, I
verification?
appear for the secondary education department.
Yes.
But based on, if lordship has a affidavit, page 35, my lord,
Hmm.
the mission director states that there were complaints received regarding the validity of the certificates and a re-verification was done.
Eastern
Eastern
Institute
My lord.
for Integrated Learning Learning in Management.
Management, Milord. The Sikkim, Milord, is the University of Sikkim, private university, Milord.
No, the university itself is a private university.
My lord, this Eastern Institute for Integrated Learning in Management, University Sikkim has been written in this manner, Milord.
Yes, it's recognized.
Milord, established under section 21 of the UGC Act empowered of Sikkim Act number 4, Milord. Written in the Milord below of this mark sheet, my lord can verify. This university was established under section 21 of the UGC Act, Government of Sikkim. That means, Milord, a private act perhaps maybe is there, Milord, for establishment of this university by Gazette notification number dated 3/4/2006, Milord. Milord, it can also be verified from the UGC list of recognized universities or not. Milord, I have not.
Yes, what is the said?
Since now we have
You receive complaints.
my lord, and the Ramsa verified it, if lordship has the affidavit filed by the Ramsa,
Thank you. Oh,
mathematics,
Page
that will be page 30.
35.
32 paragraph.
Or it could be page 39 also, my lord. There are two affidavits filed, the serial numbers, my lord. It is
30.
filed by one, Sanjoy Datta, on 20th of July, my lord. Page 39 running.
No, one Royalson Rongpi is filed.
My lord, that is the secondary education department. Below
Okay.
that would be the next affidavit.
By Samagro Shiksha.
My lord, yes. Para 7.
Just a minute, please.
Affidavit are also negative. No.
What is RMSA?
राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान मिशन मिलोट
Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha. Okay, which page?
Lordship would come to page 38 running,
Please.
where my lord, the Ramsai was one of the members of the three-member committee.
Hmm.
Page 38, my lord.
Yes.
The notification lordship would find at page 43, my lord.
4-3.
That was the notification of the committee.
Doesn't matter. No, we want to have the verification part.
Then lordship would have page 39, para 7. As regards to the statement in paragraph 10 of the writ petition, the deponent begs to state that subsequent to the submission of the list of recommended candidates in the first phase by the three members committee, complaints were received regarding the AICTE/UTC recognition of the universities, institutions from which such degree diploma was obtained. After again depth verification, it was found that total 14 number of candidates out of those 1130 numbers had obtained their degree diploma from universities, institutions whose recognition was dubious or doubtful, and the present petitioner is one among those 14 candidates. Be it mentioned here that the petitioner had admittedly obtained the PGDCA diploma from the Eastern Institute for Integrated Learning in Management, a private university, which was dissolved as per public notice dated so-and-so August 2015. Annexure 2, that Annexure 2 lordship would find at page 44.
Annexure
2, page 44. Director, Higher Education, Human Resource Development Department, Government of Sikkim, by letter number so-and-so is informed that the state government of Sikkim has accorded approval for dissolution of the ELI ministry, the university, in its cabinet meeting held on 28th of April 2015. As per
But
section
this dissolution is of 2015.
15,
My lord, and
His mark sheet is of 12.
2012, that is what I've just seen, 2012. Then thereafter, this stands. The matter of dissolution of PLI was sub judice in the Honorable High Court of Supreme as informed by the UTC, but informed to the UTC by the state government of Sikkim via its letter dated 17/2016. Such being the position, the three-member committee had decided to remove those candidates from the selection list, and the same was referred to the government for doing the needful in the minutes of the meeting dated 23/4/18, and the same was forwarded to the authority by letter number 20. It needs to be appreciated that the mission director was not the appointing authority for engagement of the part-time ICT instructor under the Banikanta Kakoti computer literacy program.
Mr. Mukta, we did not go into other aspects.
My lord.
Even if we are accepting your projection that there is a public notice of the year 2015 August. His mark sheet is of 2012.
Yes. That is one.
So this public notice will not be conclusive to hold that the mark sheet is not recognized or you cannot give credence to.
Lordship, our stand in at page 31, the stand of the secondary education department.
Yes.
Page 31, second paragraph of paragraph number 4, the subparagraph. In response to letter dated so-and-so issued by the unsigned deponent, the IC inspector who submitted report by letter number so-and-so referring to the letter received from the officer on special duty RMSA to the inspector of schools regarding the select list of part-time ICT instructor and other scheme, Dr. Banikanto Kakoti Computer Literary Program, and informed that the complaint received against the petitioner bearing application number so and so and serial number 35 of the upload list, and another candidate Hemango Chaudhary bearing application number so and so. On receiving the complaint, re-verification was done and found that the persons petitioner Hemango Das and Hemango Chaudhary did not have the requisite qualification, and hence appointment letter of the petitioner was not issued. The only reason is that, madam, on the re-verification, we got a report.
This report is based on this
UGC.
public notice,
Yes. public
nothing more than that.
And that public.
If
notice
you
is
are
within
making serious allegations regarding the validity of the degree or the existence of the university,
Madam,
those are not doubted.
at that point of time, no, my lord.
You are
But
also
in-
not doubting that the date is post. It should have been post 2015 August, but he has put 2012. That is also not your case.
Madam,
No.
since the university has been dissolved for whatever reason, and it was under the, it was sub judice at the point of time when we took
But
the
that is not
decision.
not your explanation.
No, madam, it has come on record, madam. The only reason why the Ramsa gave the report was that the matter was it was dissolved and the matter was sub judice.
Where?
Lordship will find that page
No, dissolved when?
15.
After dissolution, the matter will be sub judice.
Yes. No, madam, what happened to prior of that period, my lord, that perhaps we will need to, the
No.
department may have the necessity of at least.
You have given you adequate time.
Here, my lord, what we stood by is that, why we rejected him at that point of time. The sub judice matter from 2016, my lord, it may have been disposed of by now, number one. Number two, my lord,
Where is the
What
sub
would be
judice part?
lordship will find in the same,
No, the cause of action will arise when? After August 2015.
but if the university,
Kindly it is 46. The recommendations of the fact
40?
46 of my same episode.
Okay. Yes, please.
A, B, C, D lot, solving.
Yes.
But I kindly see the last time, decrease in other discipline except in the field as specified in the preceding line. And beyond the academic year
19 shall not be valid.
Director Higher Education. Mm.
The three disciplines are BA, BCA, and MBA.
What is this fact finding committee? Of what?
It was considered by the UGC, lordship has page 45. Just below the third paragraph. A fact-finding committee was constituted by the UGC to look into the complaints, to examine whether Eastern Institute of Integrated Learning in Management is conducting programs in accordance with UGC regulations 2003 and fulfilling criteria in terms of programs.
Right.
To inquire into the adherence by the university to the guidelines of the erstwhile Distance Education Council. To visit the university and its various offices and inspect such documents as may be necessary. So this was one of those distance learning courses.
Now, page 45 onwards. What is this? Who is issued this?
This has been by the fact-finding committee, which
No, no,
was
where are the, from where are you making the submission?
lordship will have at page 45 at the top.
No, that we have seen. That's a type copy, nothing like this. Where are signatures? Who has constituted this?
This has been downloaded from the website as of the UGC, my lord. Lordship will like to have page 40. As per information downloaded from the UGC official website, Annexure 2A. Page 45 is Annexure 2A.
Where are you?
Page 40, my lord,
40.
40. Third line from the top. As per, third line from the top, my lord. As per information downloaded from the UGC official website, annexure 2A. And Lordship was reading at page 45, that is annexure 2A. This has been taken from the website. And then at page 46, below paragraph, para D, if Lordship finds after paragraph F, the report of the fact-finding committee was considered by the University Grants Commission in its 508 meeting. The commission resolved as under, noted and approved. The commission further resolved to issue a public notice in this regard and approach the Ministry of so-and-so for banning the website of EIILM. So, Madam, D was approved that except for the disciplines of BA Hospitality and Tourism, BCA and MBA, everything taken beyond 2019 would be invalid. That its qualification becomes invalid.
Yes, yes.
My lord, if you go by the condition of the advertisement, my lord. Condition of the advertisement, my lord, may be pleased to find the qualification is at page 14 of my writ petition, my lord. Says, my lord, that they graduate from a
Mr.
recognized. My lord.
Bhuyan, arguing on this line will not help you.
My
Have,
lord.
have you got any instructions regarding what has happened in the Sikkim High Court
No,
regarding the
no,
decision?
No, my lord.
That was in the 2016,
That is correct, my lord. My lord, that-
2024.
that
See, it may
instruct-
not be within your ambits to know the decision, but for your interest, you would have taken some information.
My lord, my lord.
See, you have obtained a degree bona fide without knowing the outcome. Now it appears that
My lord, this second affidavit, I do not have that copy also, my lord, which my learned friend has read over. So, my lord, week's time may be given to obtain the instruction, my lord. If
No.
required, we will file a rejoinder.
No, no, what is the status of this
Sikkim High Court, my lord.
of the actual process selection?
The selection process, they were not appointed, whether someone else was appointed in his place or not. It's,
Obviously
14 people who were found to be dubious were not appointed, others all appointed.
difficult.
My lord.
Are you protected by some interim order?
Don't think so, my lord. Same order. No, my lord. My lord, the part of the UGC, my lord, regular UGC minutes, my lord, which my learned friend has read over. My lord, that instruction I do not have, my lord. So, my lord, I will, my lord, file a rejoinder, my lord.
Not rejoinder filing, there is no scope. This is of July 2023. If you did not feel the necessity of filing a rejoinder
My
for
lord.
the last more than a year,
No, my lord, actually.
there is no
this-
requirement.
This, my lord, affidavit is also not in my record also, my lord. Maybe some mistake is there, my lord.
It was served upon him.
My lord. Lord, the status of that honorable Sikkim High Court's matter may be
Yeah.
will obtain, my lord. If
You have received it.
my lord, my lord. It may be misplaced, my lord, in my record.
You have received it on 27/2023. Same
My-
date.
My lord. That opportunity
We
may
may
come.
not be able to help you in this case. Sorry. Heard Sri A.R. Bhuyan, Learned Counsel. For the
My lord, and a last opportunity may kindly be given.
1 year has gone.
No, my lord, regarding that Sikkim High Court matter, if that is, my lord, allowed the petition, that we may have a case, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, we have to again
See, I
come.
have not even taken an endeavor to know of a
No.
matter from 2016 to
That is,
2024.
that is,
Sorry.
mistake. That is mistake on the part of the, my lord.
At times, we need to take decisions. We cannot just. Heard Sri A.R. Bhuyan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri R. Mazumdar, Learned Standing Counsel. Higher education,
No, my lord,
secondary,
my lord.
secondary education, as well as Sri P. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel for SSA. Sarah, considering that the matter is of the year 2018, wherein affidavits have been exchanged, comma, the same is taken up for disposal at the admission stage, para, as per the facts projected, comma, the Director of Secondary Education, Assam, had issued, please have your seat,
Well.
had issued an advertisement on 26/9/2017 calling for applications for the post of computer instructor in various government oblique provincialized high oblique senior madrasa, senior secondary schools, Arabic colleges, and local body schools under the scheme within inverted comma. Dr. Banikanta Kakoti Computer Literacy Program. Full stop. The number of vacancies were stated to be 3052. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that having fulfilled the eligibility criteria, he had applied for the said post, and upon such application, a detailed verification exercise was made. Full stop. The petitioner has averred that there was a further verification of the online application from the period 2/2/2018 to Tier 2, 10/2/2018. Full stop. The select list was accordingly published on 26/2/2018 and 2018, in which 1130 numbers of candidates were said to have been verified. The petitioner's name was again serial number 35 in the aforesaid select list. Full stop. Whereas engagement letters were issued to all candidates, such engagement letter was not issued to the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner had approached the authorities, which also did not assign any reasons, and thereafter the present petition has been filed. Full stop. Sri Bhuya, the learned counsel, has submitted that there is no questions on the aspect of meeting the eligibility criteria by the petitioner in terms of the advertisement. Full stop. In this connection, the learned counsel has referred to the statement of marks for PG diploma in computer applications for the session January 2011 to December 2011 by the concerned university, namely, inverted comma, Eastern Institute for Integrated Learning in Management University, Sikkim. Full stop. The said mark sheet has been issued on 25/9/2012. Full stop. It is submitted that verification and re-verification were done of all the testimonials, and at no point of time the eligibility of the petitioner with regard to any of his documents were questioned. Full stop. He, however, contends that from the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents, it transpires that the said testimonial dated 25/9/2012 has not been accepted. Full stop. It is submitted that such non-acceptance without assigning any reasons is wholly unreasonable and arbitrary and calls for interference by this court. Full stop. It is submitted that in the selection, the petitioner had fared well and accordingly was placed against serial number 35 in the select list. Per contra, Sri Mazumdar, the learned standing council, education department, has submitted that there were specific complaints with regard to 14 numbers of candidates out of the 1130 candidates whose names were in the select list, and accordingly a re-verification exercise was done. Full stop. The petitioner was amongst the 14 numbers of candidates. Full stop. By drawing the attention of this court to the affidavit in opposition filed by the executive director, Samagra Shiksha Assam, dated 27/2023, the learned council has submitted that in the re-verification exercise, it was revealed that the UGC vide a public notice of August 2015 had accorded the approval by public notice that August 2015 has notified that the aforesaid university was dissolved by the cabinet meeting held on 28/4/2015. Full stop. Thereafter, under Section 48 of the EIILM University Act of 2006, the state government had appointed an interim management to conduct the affairs of the university. Full stop. In the appended documents pertaining to the status of the said university, which includes the fact-finding committee, which includes the recommendation of the fact-finding committee, it has been recommended that the director, higher education, human resource development department, government of Sikkim, may validate the degrees of 2009-10 in 3 disciplines and accept the same and beyond the academic year 2009-2010, no degree would be valid. Full stop. The recommendation of the fact-finding committee, which was considered by the UGC in its 508th meeting against item number 5.01 held on 27/7/2015, had approved the said recommendation, pursuant to which the aforesaid public notice was issued. Full stop. though it appears that the aforesaid, para, Sri Mazumdar accordingly submits that there are cogent reasons not to accept the testimonials of the petitioner, and accordingly, no case for interference is made out. Full stop. Para. Sri Nayak, the learned standing council, SSA, has submitted that in the affidavit in opposition so referred, comma, the entire stand of the department justifying the action has been fully explained. Full stop. He has also referred to the recommendations of the fact-finding committee, which has been accepted by the UGC in its meeting held on 27/7/2015, whereafter the public notice was issued. Full stop. Para. Though it appears that the aforesaid action for resolution of the concerned university is the subject matter of challenge in the Honorable Sikkim High Court, comma, there is no further information regarding the status or outcome of the same. Full stop. Para. The decision taken not to issue the appointment letter to the petitioner, despite his selection, despite his name appearing in the select list, has to be examined from the point of view, from the aspect as to at what stage the said decision was taken. Full stop. The selection was initiated pursuant to an advertisement of the year 2017, and the process was over in the year 2018. Full stop. At that point of time, comma, on a detailed verification exercise made, comma, it was found that not only the university in question was dissolved, comma, degrees / diploma obtained after 2009-2010 were directed not to be recognized. Full stop. Under those facts and circumstances, comma, this court is not inclined, this court is in a position to hold that the decision of the authorities are based on certain cogent reasons. Full stop. As a writ court, comma, the exercise is only to look into the decision-making process. And in the instant case, comma, as will be revealed from the materials on record, comma, the decision is based on materials which have appeared from in the verification exercise, and also from the materials downloaded from the website of the UGC. Full stop. In this regard, comma, there is a specific averment made in paragraph 7 of the affidavit in opposition dated 27/20/23 of the respondent number 3. Full stop. Para. In view of the above, comma, this court is of the considered opinion that no relief can be granted in this case, and accordingly the same is dismissed.
Just for Sikkim High Court dismissed the writ petition from the website.
Everything is bad for me. my lord. Obliged, my lord, highly obliged. Oh,
Can we record this? From where have you?
One of the website of the Sikkim High Court.
During the course of the proceedings, of the state proceeding, comma, Sri R. Mazumdar has verified from the website of the Honorable Sikkim High Court and has submitted that the writ petition has also been dismissed in the meantime.
Yes.
We are not saying anything, just recording it. Okay.
obliged.
Yes. 17.
Yes, my lord, in this case, my lord, we have just received some instructions, my lord, about half an hour ago, that the relief that the petitioners were seeking through the writ petition, it has been granted, my lord.
Withdraw this.
Yes, my lord. Thank you.
Okay. What is
My
your
lord, this
name?
can be taken,
Yes.
my lord, the order, my
What is your name? Your name?
lord. SH Mahmood.
SH. Sri SH Mahmood, Learned Counsel. Appearing on instructions of Sri MU Mahmood, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, comma, the matter and the grievances of the petitioners have been resolved, full stop. He has also placed on record a recent communication dated 18/3/2024, which has just been transmitted to him. Full stop. Para also heard Sri Pegu, the learned what? Standing counsel? Standing counsel? G. Pegu, learned standing counsel, Elementary Education Department. Para. In view of the above, comma, there is no reason to continue with this writ petition, and accordingly, the same is closed. The copy of the communication dated 18/3/2024 is made part of the records. Okay.
May I please, sir?
Yes.
The petitioner doesn't want to pursue the matter, my lord. Maybe
Right.
allowed to.
Sri S. Saikya, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that there is instructions from the petitioner not to pursue the writ petition. CGC, anybody? CGC. Again, there or not in the court? RDB, Learned CGC is present. Para. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed as not pressed.
Lordship, in this case, I am praying for just 1 day time to file our affidavit in reply.
19 matter, when was the affidavit filed?
Affidavit was filed in the month of January, I think.
Okay, on the request of Sri A.D. Chaudhary,
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioners, comma, a week's time is granted as a final chance to file the rejoinder affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
List
Oh.
after a week.
Obliged, Lordship.
20.
Madam, timing loss. Do permanent repaying document this?
Such a one.
No, 5.
One action is necessary, my lord. Lordship carries the order 6/3/2024, my lord.
Yes.
In that, my lord, your lordship go to the paragraph 5. It was categorically stated, the order earlier passed by this court dated 6 categorically directed respondent to work out the modality for release of the amount towards the reimbursement of medical bill.
Okay.
Have you lordship got it, my lord?
Now let him come.
Yes, Lord. We don't put no.
Okay. After a while,
Lordship.
तुम्हाला पता है नया नया
none appears for the petitioner on call, whereas Sri G. Pegu, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education, is present. Para. in the interest of justice, a further chance is granted. Para, list after a week.
Lordship, for item 21, my senior is in Lex in court number.
You should come here, where you there? Okay, let him come. I don't know.
Kindly pass over the matter for time being.
Time being, okay.
Thank you, Lordship.
Ask him to come.
Actually, in item number 22, we are required to file our affidavit.
22, who is there in 22? 22. 21. Mr. Mahanta has come 21 today. 21.
I am not guessing, my lord, this matter already affidavit has been filed by the other side.
Okay.
My claim was that I have submitted my application online.
3 P. Mahanta, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits on instructions that he does not want to press this petition. Para, also heard 3. G. Pegu, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department, and 3. Nayak is there. Where is Mr. Nayak? And Mr. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel, SSA. Kindly inform Mr. Nayak. Okay. Para, writ petition accordingly dismissed as not pressed. It is 21 asile. 21 asile. 21. Yeah, আগতে লিখিছিল সেইটো নহয় এইটো হ'ব আৰু 22.
Item 22, we have misplaced the file. I'll have to reconstruct and send.
Rules for the petitioner.
Mr. Edeka was appearing. madam.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Para, list after 2 weeks. Full stop. In the meantime, 3 in the meantime, 3 R. Muzumdar, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education, Secondary Education may reconstruct the file.
Mobilization.
Please, law. Instruction was sought for whether pension of petition number 2 and 7 has been finalized or not, my lord. The last date, they took time, my lord. It was stated that it pension waiver has been submitted on 23.
Yes, who is for pension? Dury?
Lordship, here, with respect to petitioner number 2 and petitioner number 7, all others had availed pension. Only with respect to these two, the Director of Pension has showed the proposal from the Inspector of School, and which has been conveyed through this letter. It communication fixed.
Okay, Inspector of Schools, Madam Musari, Mr. Mazumdar.
It was recorded in order number 28-6, my lord.
This is of when? 18-7 again.
Proposal.
But in the earlier order, Mr. Mazumdar and Mr. Deuri, 28-6-2024, this court had recorded that on 13-3-2024, the matter was sent. So far as petition number 2 is concerned, 28-3-2024, and for 7, 13-3-2024. Why are you delaying the matter?
But this communication is of July, your lordship.
That is it.
It is
If it
7.
was sent on 13-3 and 28-3, why again you are sending on July?
Yes, proposal.
I think they have not.
Then
See, this latest communication which you are placing on record,
Yeah.
18-7, this is by whom? It is by the Director of Pension.
yes, your lord.
Asking the department to send the proposal. The proposal has already been sent. It has been recorded. 2 dates, 28-3 and 13-3. Though this court, in its order dated 28-6-2024, had recorded the submission made on behalf of the Education Department that pension proposal in respect of the petition number 2 was sent. Petition number 2 and the petition number 7 were respectively sent on 28-3-2024 and 13-3-2024, as per the communication dated 18/7/2024, placed on record by Sri Deori, the learned State Council, comma, the Director of Pension had written to the Inspector of Schools, Dhubri, to take necessary steps for submission of the pension/family pension proposals. Full stop. It appears that there is some communication gap. Full stop. The matter is accordingly directed to be looked into. Full stop. List on pension matter, we're fixing a date. Today is 16th. List on 27th of September. Okay? 2 weeks you get, 27th of September. It is, this court has however been informed that so far as the other petitioners are concerned, comma, the pension has been released. Pension or family pension?
Pension, man.
Pension has been released. Okay. You have a copy of this? Photo. A copy of the communication dated 18/7/2024 is kept with the records.
May I be pleased, your
Yes,
lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship, matter may be taken up after some time.
On behalf of Ms. K. Devi,
Yes, your lordship.
one matter is already,
Yes,
we are
lordship.
waiting for her, call her after some time. Eta ase na agor, K. Devi.
Right.
Pete Pesoros. This matter, my lord, relates to, my lord, appointment to the post of principal of Golaghat Commerce College, my lord.
Hello, may I pray for taking up this matter after some time? My lord, senior counsel TJ Mohanto is some late.
What is the matter?
Appointment to the post of principal, my lord,
Golaghat College.
Golaghat Commerce College, and it is a tenure post of 5 years, my lord. And the appointment was made in the 2021. So, my lord, 2020, December 2020, so it's still 25, my lord. So
Okay.
next week,
A private respondent has been appointed.
yes, my lord. And our ground of contention is this, my lord. He has not, the teaching experience that required for the post of principal. That he has not.
He does not meet.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, call Mr. Monta after some time. We are all adjourning matters for time being. It will be difficult after some time.
And on earlier occasions, my lord, the records were called for. I think, my lord, you bring her position.
Okay, call Mr. Monta.
Yes.
After a while.
Right. Yes.
Mr. Monta has come. Okay, very good.
At page 46. This is the advertisement, my lord.
4/6.
4/6. This is a type copy, my lord. The original copy is at page 48. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
That applications with complete biodata and supporting testimonials from HSLC onwards are invited for the post of principal Golaghat Commerce College, Golaghat, from intending candidates through proper channel having qualification, experience, norms, etc. as per government guideline, my lord. And these are the criteria laid down, my lord, at paragraph 3, point number 3.
Yes.
An associate professor, the incumbent has been an experience of associate professor with a total experience of 15 years of teaching, research, administration in universities, college, and other institution of higher education. Then we participate in the selection process, my lord, by submitting all our documents. Thereafter, my lord, after the selection process, the impugn order was issued.
Selection was held when? Petitioner and who was the private respondent number?
Respondent of 4, my lord. Respondent 6, there are 2 read petitioners, my lord. And the respondent number 6 is the beneficiary.
2 read petitions.
There are 2 read petitioners, my lord.
Why do you join 2 read petitioners?
You know, since the cause of action.
Why you will have a class of interest? Only one can be appointed. How can you have both persons?
Our pay is, my lord, to conduct the selection process as per my lord.
That is, but ultimately one will be appointed.
One will be appointed, my lord. And
Won't
my
there
lord,
be a clash of interest? How is it maintainable?
my lord, as per
You
my,
can have independent causes of actions filed separately, same counsel, no problem. But how can they two join together?
my lord, as per my instruction, my lord, that the petition number 1, my lord, he has already crossed 55 years of age, my lord. So, my lord, now the petition number 2 is here, my lord.
But otherwise, it's not proper. You cannot join causes of action when there is a clash of interest.
My lord, understand.
Tomorrow, if the petition is
Yes,
successful, you have to contest amongst yourself.
Yes,
Either one can be.
yes, yes.
Okay, one otherwise also petition.
The petition number 1 at the time of filing of the writ petition, he was 55 years old, my lord. And the minimum,
How many had contested?
my lord,
Total numbers?
there are 3 numbers of candidates. my lord.
12-3.
Petition number and
R6
private
and
R6 and the
okay.
petition number 2, my lord. 1 and 2.
3 candidates.
3
Total.
candidates were there, my lord.
Our P1 has crossed 55 years.
Yes, my lord. And R2 is the
Okay,
Qualification.
R2 remains.
remains.
Okay, now what is the case?
At page 53,
5-3.
53.
Yes.
This is the impugn order, my lord, whereby the respondent number 6 has been appointed.
Dated
8/12/2020. By this order passed by the Director of Higher Education.
Utpal is
Respondent number 6, my lord.
R6.
He has been appointed, my lord.
Yes.
Pursuant to the said appointment, the petitioners have filed applications on the right to information,
RTI.
my lord.
Yes, page.
That reply would also will find at page 62. This was communicated to the petitioner number 2.
62.
Yes, my lord. The second with that, it was addressed to petition number 2, my lord. That second paragraph. In response to your application, we'd like to inform you that no students opted appeared in mathematics as major for GE in undergraduate course from Joya Gogoi College, Kumtai, Golaghat since 2011 till date. There is no student of mathematics, my lord, since the respondent number 6 is a professor of mathematics. And lordship will find the second information furnished to the petition number
No
1.
students opted.
Yes, my lord. It was furnished by the registered Dibrugarh University.
Opted in mathematics as major.
Yes, major for GE in undergraduate course from Joya Gogoi College. Earlier, he was working there. my lord.
Okay.
Therefore, page 65, my lord. This is the reply furnished to the petition number 1. Second para, my lord. In response to your application, we'd like to inform you that from the year 1998 to 2000, no student has opted for mathematics, major or general in Joya Gogoi College, Kumtai. Whereas in the year 2001, 4 students appeared, out of which 1 student passed in the examination. And in the year 2002, only 1 student appeared.
and pass in the examination. And from the year 2003 to 2010, no student has opted for mathematics, major or general course in Zoya Gogoi College, Kumtai. So, my lord, the RTI reply furnished to us reveals that, my lord, there is no student in a mathematics in a Zoya Gogoi College. So in our contention, the private respondent has not got the required eligibility. Thereafter, my lord, an affidavit was filed. Our contention is this, my lord, that the respondent number 6 has not got the 15 years qualifying service. The affidavit filed by the respondent number 6, my lord, we received the copy on 23/8/2022.
R6.
Filed by the R6, my lord, the mini petition.
Yes.
At page 29 of that affidavit, annexure 5. This is the experience certificate issued in favor of the respondent number 6 by the principal Zoya Gogoi College, my lord. And kindly point the mark, my lord, note the date, my lord. At page 31, lordship will find the date of issue of this experience certificate. Date is page 31 of that affidavit, and the date is 14/12/2021. And lordship, the private respondent has annexed this certificate in support of his case at page 32, annexure 6. It is also an experience certificate, my lord. May I read this certificate?
Yes.
This is to certify that 2-year higher secondary program science at Zoya Gogoi College, Kumtai has been started in academic year 92-93 and continued up to the session 2012-13. In the meantime, BSc program has been started in the academic year 1990 and 1999 and continued up to academic year 2012-13. The same SS Science and BSc program has been started again in the academic session 2019-20 and continuing till date. In both higher secondary science and BSc program, Dr. Utpal Sharma has dedicatedly performed teaching duties as a permanent faculty member in the Department of Mathematics at Zoya Gogoi College, Kumtai, on his date of joining in this college. It was issued on 21/5/2022.
You have noted.
My lord, now kindly, my lord, turn to read petition, my lord, at advertisement, my lord.
Advertisement 18/6/2020.
Yes, my lord. Kindly, page 40.
No, we have seen this 46.
For a date, my lord.
Yes.
Page 46, page 47. The last date, my lord.
No, that is okay. We have got your point. That
Yes.
is our post-dated certificate.
Yes, post-dated, my lord.
Okay.
And my lord, on the last occasion, my friend was kind enough to allow me to go to the records. And these are the parts of the selection committee record, my lord. After the last date, those applications were.
No, you said when was the appointment of respondent number 6?
Respondent number 6 was appointed on 8/12/2020.
It cannot be part of the selection committee report.
My lord,
These are of 22,
yes, my lord.
22 and 21. It may be in the records, but it could not have been.
My lord, on the
Considered.
last occasion, when they produced the selection committee's record, my lord.
How can it be considered? If
Because,
the
my lord, it
appointment
was-
if the appointment is of 2020, certificate is of 2022, it's not even in existence.
Yes, my lord, but my lord, I don't know how they entered into this
It can
selection.
it can be put into the records, but it cannot be a matter of consideration. It cannot be. Otherwise, by law also, it cannot be. Appointment which was in 2020, document was not even existing.
Yes, my lord.
That is your point.
Yes, my lord. And my
But,
lord,
no, but irrespective of the documents being of a later period, your specific case is that
there is
he
no
did not,
student.
he did not have the eligibility of having 15 years of total experience as an associate professor or professor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Teaching experience.
Yes. To this effect, may I place a judgment, my lord,
Regarding,
regarding teaching experience, my lord.
yes. What is it?
2007 10 SSC 269.
2007
10 SSC 269.
269. Name?
VB Prasad versus manager, PMD, Upper Primary School and others.
Okay. Paragraph?
Paragraph, my lord, I will rely upon paragraph 8 and 9, my lord. Paragraph 8, my lord.
Hmm.
Before embarking upon the contentions raised by the learned counsel for the parties, we may notice the admitted fact. Respondent number 2 joined the school on 16/7/1969. The appellant herein joined the school as a drawing teacher on 17/7/1978. He has been working on a regular basis only with effect from 2/6/1980. He was declared a protected teacher from 1/6/1989. While discharging his duties as a teacher, the appellant applied for and was granted study leave for higher studies for 2 years with effect from 1/6/1991. He remained on leave up to 28/2/1993. It is accepted that he was not a candidate who was considered for appointment to the post of headmaster. He indisputably gave consent for appointment of respondent number 2. His case therefore never failed for consideration either by the management of the school or by the government or by the High Court. Rule 45 of the Kerala Education Rules in the aforementioned context interpreted whereof falls for our consideration
Okay,
may
wait.
now be noticed.
What is teaching experience has been, it
Yeah.
cannot be deemed teaching experience.
Yes, madam. Paragraph 9, madam. So this is my case, my lord, that he has not adequate number of teaching experience, my lord.
Okay. Yes, department. Who has taken, made the decision?
Director of Higher Education is the authority, madam, appointing authority.
You are the approving authority, approving and appointing. Selection is made by the,
Governing
Okay.
body of the college.
okay, first we'll hear the selection committee. Please come to this side, microphone.
Yeah.
Okay, I am appearing for the respondent number 5 and 7. 5 is the governing body of Golaghat Commerce College, and 7 is the Jayagogoi College Circuit. As per our affidavit, Lordship, as per rule, the petition.
Five is governing body.
Yes, sir. Governing college, governing body, Golaghat Commerce College. And 7 is the Jayagogoi College, sir.
Yes.
As per our affidavit by the governing body, Lordship, as per the rule, the petitioner has been appointed, and it is our contention that as per the office memorandum dated 25/2/2019, Lordship, there is no provision for that in particular subject the petitioner, the candidate has to be the teaching experience. It provides that process. Associate professor with a total experience of 15 years of teaching research, administration in university, colleges and other institutions.
Yeah, that is the advertisement.
Lordship.
That is what has been stated in the advertisement.
Yes, Lordship.
Teaching slash.
Yes.
Okay.
And as per Lordship, the affidavit by the respondent number 7, Jayagawa College Lordship, this petitioner has, Dr. Respondent number 6 has teaching experience.
In this, in the first point, where is your requirement? Requirement, what is the requirement? First point which you just urged regarding the experience, it should not, may not be necessarily of teaching experience. Necessary total, okay, page 160.
Okay, 156, okay, para 9.
Students OM 160. Associate professor with total experience 15 in teaching, research, administration. Teaching, research. Okay. Same page 46. The advertisement is a is direct reproduction of
OM Lordship.
OM 25 to 2019. Okay, no ambiguity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what is it now?
And now Lordship, as per our affidavit, para 9, page 156.
Para?
Para 9, Lordship, page 156.
Yes.
And it Lordship.
Hmm.
Thereafter, the selection committee interviewed all the 3 candidates on 26/11/2020. The selection committee, in conformity with the guidelines of the OM and the relevant laws and rules enforced as framed by the UGC of the government of Assam, as well as the education and qualification, teaching experience of the candidates, research experience, publication of the articles, papers in peer-reviewed journals, etc. In terms of the OM, that 25 February 2019 arrived at the decision to select Dr. Utpal Sharma for appointment as the principal of Golaghat Commerce College. Among the candidates interviewed, the selection committee found Dr. Utpal Sharma as the most eligible candidate to be appointed in the post of principal of Golaghat Commerce College, Golaghat. Petition Lordship. And regarding Lordship teaching experience that he has, it is alleged that he has no teaching experience in Jaya Gogoi College Lordship. We have filed our affidavit, respondent number 7 Lordship, Jaya Gogoi College. In the from page para 6 Lordship, 163 page.
Page?
Page 163, Lordship.
Yes.
No, Lordship. Paragraph 6.
Yes.
That in this respect, the deponent begs that pursuant to the decision of the governing body of the Agricultural College Kumtai, Golaghat, the principal and secretary of the college had ordered dated 10/8/1995 temporarily appointed Dr. Utpal Sharma as a lecturer in the Department of Mathematics. Thereafter, his appointment was approved with effect from 25/3/1998 by the Director of Higher Education, Assam Kahilipuram, by the order dated 3/5/1999. Correspondent number 6 served in the college since the date of his appointment till his joining in the Golaghat Commerce College, Golaghat as principal, pursuant to the appointment order dated 8/12/2020. Since 1995, Lordship, he was serving in Jayagogoi College till his appointment as principal in 2020. And next, Lordship, paragraph 7. The respondent number 6, Utpal Sharma, during his service period at Jayagogoi College, Golaghat, taught econometrics in the Department of Economics, Computer Science, and Environmental Studies in BA course, in addition to his classes of mathematics in HS and BA course. Also, he taught mathematics papers of BPP, EA, and BCA under the Krishnagatha Study Center at Jayagogoi College, Golaghat. Thus, the aforesaid respondent has adequate teaching experience, although the number of students having mathematics was less. As per the records, the number of students in mathematics in BA, BSc courses affiliated to Dibrugarh University, HSCC were as follows. So, Lordship, the list has been given. How many students were there in the college, Lordship, from 1998 to 2000? From 2020, Lordship.
Okay.
Okay. There were consequently, those students were less Lordship. There were students Lordship in HS as well as graduate level. And also, Lordship, since I have seen Lordship, as per the RTI replies, they have replied on the undergraduate course. And it's not the graduate course, Lordship. They have said that in the undergraduate course, mathematics, there was no student, but as per this record, Lordship, there was undergraduate as well as within the graduate level, Lordship, there were students. The list has been given from 1998 to 2020. And also, Lordship, as per para 8, Lordship, may I read? Besides that, Dr. Utpal Sharma has administrative experience of more than 24 years. That includes his service experience as nodal administrative officer for 10 years, head of the department for 3 years, and administrative coordinator of KKHSOU Study Center for 11 years. Thus, Dr. Utpal Sharma has adequate administrative experience in addition to teaching experience as mentioned above. Moreover, he has following research experience also. So as
From 2009 to 2016, there was not
Yes.
even a single student.
yes, Lordship. As per this list, Lordship.
7 years.
From 2010 to 2015, 5 years. 9 in
10,
9 years
11, 12,
student,
13, 14, 15, 6 years.
Year 16, there was student. Then
10 to 15, 6 years.
Yes.
Not a single student.
Yes. Other Lordship.
Now, what did you do at that period of time? 6 years?
Lordship, he, as per, as stated in my affidavit, Lordship, he also used to taught in Lordship economics in Department of Economics, Computer Science, Environmental Studies in BA course. in addition to his classes in mathematics in HSS and BA course. Also, he taught mathematics papers of BPP, BA and BCA under KKH SOU Study Center. So besides the end of this mathematics subject, he also used to teach and also as per the advertisement of the administrative experience, all these sectors have he fulfill all these requirements. And it's not stated that teaching experience in a particular subject is required.
Okay.
I have moved to the record plus that required plus.
Yes, Mr. Bhuya. Subrat Bhuya. Whoever will appear, no problem. For secondary education, higher education.
See, here in this case, Lordship, we have acted as per a recommendation given by the Lordship, the police confirm Lordship. And they have considered that period, whether there is a student or not, this is not the issue. But the period should be counted. The petitioner, one of the grievance of the petitioner is that in that particular period, 15 years counting period, Lordship, some of the year, Lordship, there was no way, there is not a student in this particular college. Sorry, particular subject, there is no student, Lordship. That is one of the plea taken by the Lordship petitioner. Now, Lordship, the persons who is appointed as assistant professor, Lordship, his tenure will be counted from the date of appointment, Lordship. Whether there is a student or not from particular year, Lordship, there may be no student will be there, Lordship. Or suppose, Lordship, even our court also, Lordship, for a particular month, Lordship, there may not be a case in the civil bench too also, Lordship. Whether that period can be counted or
What is the criteria? This submission will not lie.
criteria is, Lordship,
Have you fulfilled the criteria?
the criteria is fulfilled, Lordship. The
How?
15 years requirement, the expense period is there, Lordship.
As what?
As an assistant professor. As an assistant professor, associate professor, the 15 years period.
15 years requirement as what?
As per the UGC's requirement,
No, no.
UGC's
If you issue the notification
Lordship, Lordship.
of 25 to 2019
Lordship,
at page 160.
Lordship. One.
It is not for-
Hmm?
not for-
49 minutes. Lordship, Lordship.
Number 3,
Lordship, Lordship.
please read.
Lordship. Associate professor or assistant professor with a total experience of
Okay,
50
first
years.
he has to be a
Lordship.
associate professor
Lordship, Lordship.
or a professor.
Lordship,
Now
Lordship.
that is the first criteria.
Lordship, Lordship.
What is the experience? 15
15
years?
years teaching experience, teaching, research and administrative in a
Yes.
college.
What are the experience?
Experience part should be counted.
15
Lordship.
years of teaching,
Teaching, Lordship. Or
research,
research, Lordship.
or administration
Or administration.
in university, college, and other institution of higher
institution.
education.
Lordship, Lordship, Lordship. Here, Lordship, petitioner has that experience part is there, Lordship. He is a associate professor in one of the colleges. That college also filed affidavit, Lordship. They have filed affidavit, Lordship. And they have given the chart also, Lordship. In paragraph 7, they have stated, Lordship. And that 15 years period is lordship as per the UGC's guidelines. So,
Okay.
and he has a service period, 15 years period is there, lordship. And on the basis of that, lordship, on the basis that the recommendation which was given by the college, lordship, we are acted upon, lordship. And the persons concerned has already joined, lordship, and he has continued, lordship. And regarding lordship attendance part also, lordship, some of the year there was nothing, otherwise lordship, they have given a cert, lordship, the earlier college where he was serving, lordship. In paragraph 7, they have stated, lordship. Paragraph 7, page 163, lordship. 163 to lordship. 166 lordship, there is a cert, lordship.
Yes.
And regarding research expense part also, lordship, there is a lordship 5 years for PhD and 2 years for FDP research expenses there, lordship, as per that particular paragraph, lordship. And total length of service is lordship 24 years, lordship. And he has also the administrative experience, lordship. He is the HOD of the department for lordship 3 years. And lordship coordinator of the KK and the Open Universities for long 11 years, lordship.
Hmm?
For long 11 years, lordship. He is the coordinator of the KK and the Open University, which was lordship at a study center in that particular colleges, lordship. And that is stated in paragraph 8 of that particular affidavit, lordship. Page 167, lordship.
As an HOD, he is interested with say, administrative work also.
HOD, lordship, some administrative work is there, lordship. Regarding management of the department, regarding implementation of fund, lordship, is a science stream, lordship, so there is a fund for the lordship technical purposes, lordship, that implementation is there also.
Okay. From where are you
This is
making,
in paragraph eight.
where are you making the submission of
Paragraph
11 years of as a coordinator of
Lordship,
KKHS?
it is in paragraph 8.
Of?
Paragraph 8 of the affidavit filed by the college, lordship. My lord, may kindly peruse page 167, lordship. 167, lordship. One 160, lordship permit, I can read it, lordship.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
That besides that, Dr. So-and-so has administrative experience of more than 24 years. That includes his service experience as nodal administrative officer for 10 years, lordship. Head of the department for 3 years and administrative coordinator of SOU Study Center for 11 years, lordship. Thus, the Utpal Sharma has adequate administrative experience in addition to the teaching experience as mentioned above, lordship.
Okay.
And regarding selection part, lordship, expert body has lordship verified, and we have acted upon lordship on the basis of the recommendation given by the expert body, lordship.
No, he's not questioning anything on the selection.
Lordship.
He's only questioning on the eligibility of
Lordship.
15 years. Okay.
That part is there, Lord.
Okay.
That part is there.
Okay.
His total length is lordship 24 years, more than 24 years.
Okay. Mr.
Oblige,
Mahanta.
oblige, oblige, oblige. Copy of the
R6, you are R6.
R6, my lord. I filed affidavit on 23/8/2022. Now our affidavit is my lord.
Just a minute, please. You file affidavit.
My lord. On 23/8/2020.
Page?
Page, my lord, will be started from.
R6, okay, we have got it, 82.
Yes, it from 82, my lord.
82.
In that affidavit, my lord, I have some document of which my lord I have pointed out, my lord, I have to clarify it, my lord. These are the documents we are after getting, my lord, because of they have, my lord, go to such an extent that, my lord, there is no student in mathematics. They got a RPI reply from the university, and to substantiate that, my lord, we approach the college authority, and college authority, this, my lord, Joyanagar College, they have given to this, but these are a document not published at the time of, my lord, interview. That is the correct, man. That is a document, my lord, which just to counter this affidavit, counter to the, my lord, their writ petition, my lord, we have annexed here. So your lordship kindly say, first, your lordship kindly take up, my lord, the office memorandum on the basis of which, my lord, in writ petition, they have annexed, my lord.
Yes.
Also it is, my lord, reflected in the advertisement also.
49.
Page 49, my lord. Page 49, my lord, this is the office memorandum of government of some, my lord, education department, my lord. On the basis of that, my lord, selection has been done. 49. Clause 3, my lord, associate professor with a total experience of 15 years, teaching experience, administrative in university, college, other institution, or higher education. Nowhere stated that, my lord, it has to be the subject related, my lord. In that particular college where I am working for last 24 years prior to my appointment, my lord, I was appointed as a, my lord, appointed in the year 1995, 1995, my lord.
10/8/1995.
95, and thereafter it was regular, my lord. And I'm teaching, my lord, mathematics, and mathematics, there they have stated that there is no student of mathematics in major. My lord, I am a mathematics teacher, my lord. Mathematics is a subject, my lord, that is in also economics also I have to teach mathematics. Where in economics there is one part is, my lord, mathematics is there. In BBA also, my lord. So in Open University, KK Hendrik, my lord, that is also there is a center in that particular college. In that is also then in some of the subject mathematics, where is mathematics is related, my lord, I have to teach, my lord. So that is not that, my lord, I have to teaching experience only, my lord, that only major is required, my lord. That's why, my lord, this cert which is given by the college authority, I also annexed that, my lord, to reply this, to counter his, my lord, allegation. I have annexed it, my lord. So my submission before your lordship, when there is a major class is not there, the college authority allotted me to, my lord, teaching in mathematics in other subject, my lord, which is, my lord, in BBA also, my lord, is very clearly, my lord, they have mentioned in the affidavit filed by the college authority, where I was earlier working, my lord, in para 7, 8, and 9, my. So my submission before your lordship, it is not required that you have to be a teacher, teaching experience only in major, my lord. So in mathematics, in various subjects it is required. So where there is a mathematics math classes is there, I have to take it. So that way, my lord, the experience as mentioned in the office memorandum, it has been fulfilled. And considering that, my lord, interview board, my lord, select. So that's why, my lord, that the selection authority, my lord, and in fact, my lord, there is a nominee of the university in the present in the selection board, my lord. That is reflected in the judgment, my lord. Affidavit filed by the college authority. Affidavit filed by the respondent number 7 is very clear and stated. Para 6 and 7, my lord. Para 7, my lord, very clearly says that.
Page,
My lord, 183, 163, my lord. 163, my lord. Para 6, my lord.
these have been referred by Madam Devi.
Yes, my lord. Again, my lord, I want to read it, my lord. Para 6, 7. In this respect, Department Baker stated the decision of the governing body of Jayanagar College, Khumtai Golaka, the principal secretary of the college, by the order dated 10/8/1995, temporarily appointed Dr. Utpal Sharma as a lecturer in the Department of Mathematics. Thereafter, he appointed as he appointment as approved with effect from 25/3/1998 and Director of Higher Education Assam, Kahilipara, by the order dated 3/5/1999. The respondent number 6 served in the college since the date of his appointment till his joining as a Golakhat Commerce College. As a principal of the person with the appointment order dated 18/12/2022. At the respondent number 6, Dr. Utpal Sharma, during his service period at Jayanagar College, Golakhat, this economics in the Department of Economics, Computer Science and Environmental Studies in BA course in addition to his class of mathematics in higher secondary and BA courses. Also the taught mathematics paper BBA, BA and BCA.
What is VPP?
BPP,
What is VPP, madam?
BPP,
BPP?
BP, BP and why BPP? BP to know about it. Roman,
Mr. Mohanto?
my lord,
Nothing to do with blood pressure.
my lord. There's nothing that is blood pressure, BPP.
What is
Nothing related to
BPP?
blood
What
pressure.
course?
My lord.
BPP we have not heard. Yes, education. What is BPP? Huh? What is this? Bachelor of?
What time duration? Yes.
We have heard of preparatory schools. Program is also there.
Now, various pilot courses are introduced by
Bachelor of?
Bachelor of Preparatory Program, my lord, PPP. Course designated by help study in the
And how is the environmental studies concerned with mathematics?
environmental science, my lord,
Environmental studies,
in BA course.
BA course.
In BA course, my lord, mathematics is there, my lord. in
No,
some
but
paper.
how is it connected with environmental studies?
Maybe, my lord, in environment, some, my lord, chapter, my lord, heavy related to mathematics. My lord.
Okay.
But I want to, my lord, submit that, my lord, in the experience and regarding experience. It's a post of principal. No? It's not a particular subject. It's a post of principal. We are contesting for principal. So our aim is very clear that, my lord, experience in particular subject is required. Subject related. Experience means, my lord, everything. Not only teaching experience with a particular subject. So that's why, my lord, these are also, my lord, as for office member, these are also count. But nowhere stated that it has to be the particular subject related. If it is a post of mathematics this side, then it could have been, madam. But it is a post of principal. So, my lord, very clearly in para it is stated, my lord, and the backup also given, my lord. So my submission before your lordship, my lord, nothing wrong, my lord, for selecting my as a candidate of the principal of that particular college.
Applied mathematics in environment studies. What is applied mathematics? That we know. Economics also we understand. But in environmental studies,
Some papers, some chapters.
In English literature is not required. You might also say in English literature, there may be a concept.
In my affidavit, my lord, I am clearly mentioned in para 10, my lord.
Paragraph 10.
Paragraph 10, my lord. Everything I have mentioned, my lord, in the long para. And very interestingly, but there is no reply file to this, my lord.
82.
Controversy.
Paragraph 10.
Paragraph 10.
Mm-hmm. 86. Please read.
Yes. That the answering deponent denies the averment made in paragraph 10 of the petition disregard that the answering deponent beg to state that in pursuance to the decision of the governing body meeting dated 14/7/2095 that then the principal cum secretary of the Joyannagar College Kumta issued a letter to the student was pleased to select the answering deponent the appointment as a lecturer in the Department of Mathematics Joya Gogoi College. Thereafter on 16/8/95 deponent joined as a lecturer in the Department of Mathematics in Joya Gogoi College.
No, those are required. After 95, 99, your approval.
Subsequently,
Thereafter,
I'll come to that. Higher education Assam by the Assam 2020. The appointment of the answering deponent has been approved as an assistant professor. of the
99. Those are, we know about it.
It is further state that the effect from 25/5/2012, the answering deponent has been serving as an associate professor by Joyannagar College till joining as a principal Golaghat Commerce College. It is further stated that Joya Gogoi College is not exclusively a degree college. In the said college, higher secondary course has been continuing since long. The answering deponent has to teach mathematics in both higher secondary and degree classes. Besides mathematics, part of the subject is economics. Moreover, the answering deponent had to teach environmental science and computer skill, etc. in the said college. So that I have clearly mentioned, my lord, what I am stating, and my lord, that is, and so far is my lord, university concerned, the college part is under a university. So far is my lord, higher secondary classes are concerned, it is with the higher education, my lord. So in the experience, in the clause 3 of the my lord office memorandum, it is also any higher education of the government of Assam is also required. Your lordship kindly see the clause 3. So in that way,
Clause 3 is 49. Is 46.
University, colleges, and other institutions of the higher education.
University, college, other institution of higher education is not higher secondary. Higher education is not higher secondary, is not higher education.
It is under the higher education.
No, no, no. How can it be? Higher secondary cannot be a higher education. Only by use of the expression higher will not mean higher education. It is secondary.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I'm sorry, madam. But I want to submit, my lord, there's no subject related, my lord.
Which one?
The college.
No, no, the course, but he had imparted classes in higher secondary level. Higher secondary, higher secondary, it will come under the Higher Secondary Education Council. Exams under the higher secondary. It can have higher secondary, it can have graduation. It's a different matter. Just like Cotton College.
Yes.
Up till class 12, it was under the Higher Secondary Education Council, then thereafter university. Now matters are different.
In addition to my normal duties, my lord, we have done it, my lord. So if there is a major student or no major student is there, then mathematics major student is not there, my lord, then I have to pay the pass course and other classes, my lord. So in that way, my lord, teaching experience is fulfilled, my lord.
The 5, 6 years.
No, 6 years, no student means, my lord, not in mathematics, not student. In economics, my lord, mathematics is there. Since I am a mathematics teacher, it is not my duty to only the mathematics classes has been taken, my lord. Mathematics classes of the other department, my lord, other subject, my lord, I have to take, my lord.
Let us see again, read your averment at paragraph 10. Page 86. Last part,
My lord.
87.
Jayanagara College till joining the principal Vallabha Center. In the said college, higher secondary course has also been continued since long. The answering department has to teach mathematics, both higher secondary and degree classes. Besides mathematics, part of the subject of economics. Moreover, Muslim, my lord, in economics, my lord, mathematics is one of the part, my lord. And answering department has to teach environmental science and computer skill, etc. in the said college. And most, my lord, very particularly, my lord, college authority of the Jayanagara College is given the very fit, my lord, para 7, my lord, 8 and 9. My lord.
Okay,
Para 11 is also very important, my lord. I have stated everything, my lord.
okay. Mr. Deka, anything you'd like to say?
My lord, as Lordship has already seen that since 2009 to 16, there was no student in mathematics, my lord. And as per that OM 25 to 2019 at page 49, total experience of 15 years of teaching, research, administration, university and colleges and other institutions of higher education. If the college is not a degree college, then it is not a part of higher institution, my lord. It is a part of secondary education. And and it is their own environment, page 6.
No,
paragraph 10.
that part you cannot read like this. Page 49.
Page 49.
No, more 24.
The last part
Associate professor, oblique professor with a total experience of 15 years of teaching. Teaching.
research.
In research administered in university or colleges.
Yes, madam.
This is one part.
One part.
And
Other
other
institutions.
institutes of higher education.
Yes,
This is
madam.
a different part. Other institutes of higher,
Yes,
higher
ma'am.
education, KKHA may come. KKHSU may
Yes,
come.
yes.
So far as undergraduate is concerned, it will still cover. We are not on that. We are only on the provision whether in
but
absence
the-
of any students for.
Previous part, my lord, of this clause,
Hmm.
page 167.
Yes.
If what is the requirement? 15 years of teaching, my lord.
Hmm.
And 15
Not
years
teaching
teaching,
of
research,
administration in university oblique
And
colleges.
what he has, my lord, at page 167.
Yes.
My lord, even otherwise, your lordship kindly see my teaching experience is, my lord, 24 years. Even, my lord, 7 years, those where students are not there, even your lordship leaving aside.
No,
then is also
24 years will not,
At
it
least
has
the
to be,
experience, my lord.
it has to be as a professor or assistant professor. Your total experience is not material.
My lord,
15 years as a professor or assistant professor.
my lord, correct. That is there. That is, I have, my lord.
Otherwise, from you
Yes.
might have been an assistant professor, that will not come.
My lord.
Page 167, my lord.
167.
This is the affidavit filed by the college, earlier college, but what the experience he has, my lord. He has the experience of nodal administrative officer for 10 years, head of department for 3 years, and administrative coordinator of 11 years. So there's no 15 years of experience, my lord, as per this OM, my lord.
No,
If it is the requirement, my
you
lord.
cannot take those exclusively. Those will have to be inclusive.
Inclusive.
In the same period, he can be of this 11, it's not separately. That will not help. Okay, well, consider. Okay. Hard. 3 RM Decca Learned Council for the petitioner. Also heard. 3 K Gogoi Learned Standing Council, Higher Education Department. Miss R. Devi, Learned Council for the respond numbers 5 and 7. And Sri T.J. Mahanta Learned Senior Council assisted by Sri M. Datta for the respond number 6. Para,
I'm also for respondent number 3.
who is 3? Oh, Mr. Mahanta, what is this? He appeared for the principal as well as the selected candidate.
Selected,
Huh?
my lord.
Same person.
I become the principal.
Okay, oh, ex officio principal, it doesn't matter.
Well,
Miss Devi has also produced the original records. Para, hearing is concluded, judgment is reserved. We'll consider.
Right.
Okay,
Directly offline.
give the records. For? R. Mazumdar, Dibrugarh University, no role. Madam for
RTI applications.
UGC. Response number 8. Place the original records, madam. Your name P. Agarwal, asil na? P. Agarwal. P. Agarwal, madam. Doctor. Okay. Twenty-four. You can consider it on a lag. 21 or matter. 24 2015 or kotha nahi aru. No? Wednesday. Day after tomorrow, madam.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged. Yes, your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 5. Lordship, now the Arguing Council, MS Sri Goswami is out of station. I'm praying for accommodation for that day, Lordship. Maybe on Friday, actually.
Friday may not be possible.
Friday.
Friday this court will ride early.
After
Leave. Huh?
next Monday, Tuesday.
Wednesday. Monday
Because
also.
the education department has not filed an affidavit.
Wednesday.
That
Oh,
will be
okay,
also-
then the education department may in the meantime file affidavit. You
Education
have not filed
department in,
affidavit. Matter of which year? 21. You have not
21.
filed affidavit. Why?
secondary, my lord. It will be
Heard
required.
Sri M. Katonier, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss M. Bora, learned counsel for the respondent number 5. Filed affidavit. Who has filed affidavit?
They have filed affidavit.
Okay.
Filed reply.
Filed affidavit, and the same has also been responded to by the petitioner. Para. However, it appears that the department has not filed affidavit. Para. Sri P. N. Sharma, learned standing counsel. Secondary Education Department pays for and is granted 2 weeks time to file the affidavit.
Apply.
Yes, Madam Das, what is this?
Here we have filed our affidavit, lordship. But from the last occasion, the finance department has been included as a party. And as per clause in this lordship, their name is not known in the clause.
We have included.
Okay. Ms. M. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the finance department has been included in the meantime. Anyway, you are for finance department, madam? AG. However, names of SC finance has not been have not been reflected in the cause list. Para list after a week by reflecting the name of SC finance department in the cause list. Mr. Mahanta was here in the
Yes,
first.
your lordship. Lordship, this matter is ready for hearing, your lordship. It will be on a hearing date.
Ready to enter. Okay. Thursday next, not this Thursday, next Thursday.
Oblige, your lordship.
It is submitted that the matter can be taken up for hearing at the admission stage. Full stop. What is the subject matter?
Lordship, the petitioners are aggrieved by cancer. They were subject to recruitment process, my lordship. What happened? A medical board was
You
constituted.
tell us the just the in gist, you need not tell us the facts. What is the grievance relating to what?
Lordship,
Termination,
No, recruitment process, Your Lordship.
not been appointed.
Not been appointed.
Denial of
yet,
appointment.
Denied appointment.
Tell us. It's a denial of appointment, okay. As what? What post?
Lordship, they LP and UP teachers.
Teachers, okay.
Teachers.
কি করলো first? Admission. For hearing at the admission stage. Para? List for admission hearing on on 26th. 26th, okay?
Your Lordship.
We'll try. Three zero.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes. madam.
Lordship, respondent number 3, 4, and 5 will not file affidavit till Lordship.
Private respondent also.
3, 4, and 5.
That's only 5.
5. 3 and 4 have appeared, madam.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who has appeared? Only 5 has appeared. 5, are you filing affidavit? You are Chaudhary. NZ Chaudhary. Matter of which year?
23 Lordship.
23 Lordship.
3 weeks time, okay. File it. On the prayer of 3 NZ Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for response number 5. 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, kindly fix a date.
Let them file the affidavit. File.
Lordship.
31 years.
May I please, Your Honor? Your Honor, engaged country is visible is out of system. Due to some emergency.
Who is the youngest counsel?
It's visible.
Okay. Yes,
So there may be-
education, Mr. Pregu. Who is there? Okay, on a prayer made on behalf of Sri H. Besbura, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned by 2 weeks. No, notice was issued only. Don't take adjournment. Yes, instructions. Don't write, huh? A notice was issued on 2/6/2023. And in the meantime, respondent number 4. Who is respondent number 4? The secretary, Seba, has filed affidavit in opposition. You like to file affidavit? Huh? Okay. On the prayer made on behalf of the Education Secondary Department. Matter is adjourned by 4 weeks to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Yes.
Last occasion, my lord, the response took time for filing a.
Which department? Secondary? Secondary education, Sharma? Affidavit filed.
No.
On the prayer of 3 P. and Sharma, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department. Further time of 3 weeks is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Presence, AG.
Lordship, 33 also appear for some time to file affidavit, Lordship.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this matter may be heard.
And
I am under suspension since
department has-
2022. There is no review, nothing, Your Lordship. Lordship has passed similar order.
Lordship, the
Suspension when?
Lordship may kindly see annexure
Suspension date?
1 on 30th of April 2022, Your Lordship.
22.
22, Your Lordship.
Yeah,
No
but-
period is review, nothing, Your Lordship.
Lordship, here the SOCUS has been issued and the report.
SOCUS has been issued.
As per my
That doesn't
instruction,
matter, Your
he has
Lordship.
not replied.
Oh, already I filed reply, Your Lordship.
Show was issued when?
On 30th of July 2024.
Okay.
No periodic review.
Thursday.
But
We'll have
Lordship,
this for
I'll have
consider
it-
Thursday.
Lovely.
Thursday, instructions or no instruction will have the final disposal.
Lovely, Lordship.
Okay. What is your name?
R.S.
Counsel?
Chaudhary, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
R.S. Chaudhary, Your Lordship.
Sri R.A. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel. For the petitioner submits that the challenge in this matter pertains to an order of suspension from service, which is of the year 2022.
Yes.
He submits that there is no periodic review.
Yes.
Full stop. Para. Sri P. N. Sharma, the learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, however, submits that the disciplinary proceeding has been initiated
Good.
by issuance of show cause notice, full stop, para, be that as it may, comma, list for admission hearing on Thursday, this Thursday.
Blend.
You bring to the judgments.
Yes.
That irrespective of the fact whether a disciplinary proceeding is initiated or not, if they have not done the review, it will go.
Everything on a judgment is there, Your Lordship, as part of. Blend.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Notice was issued, yes, who is appearing? Okay. Notice was issued on 7/8/2024.
My lord, may I submit one thing, my lord? In the meantime, my lord, another matter came before this honorable court, my lord. And this honorable court, my lord, rule of the matter, giving permission to the petitioners to submit, my lord, respective representation, my lord, and to consider the same. My lord, same order maybe.
Notice of motion was 7/8/2024 on the prayer of Sri P. N. Sharma, the Standing Council, Elementary Education Department. Matter is adjourned by 3 weeks to obtain him to obtain the instructions. You give him a copy of that earlier order. If he agrees to on the next date, we may. Otherwise, we are not too keen on asking representation disposal. We'll decide ourselves, otherwise not.
Deep double.
Supply.
Filed our affidavit, Lordship.
Though this matter has been listed on the instance of the petitioner who had filed a mentioned memo, comma, none appears when the matter is called upon. Para. The practice of listing matters by mentioned memo without appearing is deprecated, as it unnecessarily leads to the burden of the registry. Full stop, para. List after 4 weeks.
May please, Your Lordship. May be allowed to do this time, Lordship, to take a step, Lord. In response of 5 Lord, service.
Last occasion you did not appear.
Yes,
Also.
I missed out, Lord.
2 occasions.
Lordship.
Though there was continuous non-representation on behalf of the petitioners, comma, Sri, your
Kelly, sir.
Sri K. D. Sharma, Learned Council. 14 matter, what steps
Earlier it was with serious matter. Then it was,
has appeared and has prayed for 2 days time to take steps for service of notice upon the response number 5.
5.
As an exceptional circumstance, as an exceptional case, 2 days time is granted to take steps on the response number 5 by registered post with AD.
like
Please.
Dusty, Lord.
Which
Headmaster,
address?
headmaster.
Address?
Address Rangia, Lord.
Huh?
Rangia.
Registered post with AD. Additionally,
Senior Special School, Rangia.
comma, as prayed for, trustee service is allowed, which however is to be routed through the registry of this court. Let the next date be fixed on 16th. Fixed on 23rd of October. And the same date be clearly reflected in the notice accompanying the dusty. Full stop. Prior to the next date, an affidavit is required to be filed by the petitioner as proof of dusty.
The affidavits are not filed by the departmental. The department also not filed any affidavit.
Sri P.N. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the which department? Education Department is also directed to obtain the instructions. Yes. Okay. 36. None appears for the petitioner on call. Whereas Sri S. Bhuya, then its standing council higher education is present. Para. This matter is pending since the year 2016. Para. In the interest of justice, a further opportunity is granted to the petitioner to be represented. Para. List on Thursday. 8 Thursday. 19th.
My lord, this matter became infructuous. During pendency of the petition, the petitioner has been appointed as a president of the establishment.
Sri K. Sinha, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that during the pendency of this writ petition, the petitioner has been appointed as
As a president of the SMDC of the
president of the SMDC of the school in question. Full stop. He accordingly submits that there is no existing cause of action. Full stop. Para. Sri P.N. Sharma, Learned Standing Council Education Department is present. Para. Writ petition is dismissed as infructuous. Obliged. 38. None appears for the petitioner on call. 5 has filed affidavit.
Second.
You have also filed. On the other hand, the Ms. P. Das, representing
Secondary education.
Secondary Education Department, and Ms. R. Deka, Learned Counsel for the number 5, submit that they have filed their affidavit. Full stop. Para. The matter being of the year 2016, a further opportunity is granted to the petitioner to represent. Full stop. Para. List on Thursday, 8 Thursday, huh? 19.
Deeply organized.
39. WA 197 disposed of. Madam Das.
Yes, sir.
It's already decided, my lord.
197.
No,
Judgment
judgment not delivered, my lord.
Judgment not delivered, your lordship.
Okay. The Learned Counsel for the parties have jointly submitted that WA 197 of 2020, which was referred in the previous order dated 1/5/2024, is yet to be disposed of. Para. List after 4 weeks. Right.
Deeply obliged.
Both the I is connected. Okay.
Purnendu Sekhar Devnath, that case, your lordship, appeal
197.
197/2020. Just checking the order.
Okay.
Your lordship, on dated 23/11/2021, the matter has disposed of. Then again on dated 29/11/2021, it has been revoked. So your lordship, apart from that date, your lordship, no further order has been
Okay,
given.
try to get the development.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, the service of notice upon the respondents is completed, so the matter may be for admission.
What is the matter about?
This is the provincialization of the service of the petitioner, lordship.
18 matters.
Yes, sir.
18 matter. Yes, are you ready for the? Who's for the department?
Yeah.
PTC, Madam Boro. We'll have this for admission hearing on Tuesday next. Okay. Seen the office note dated. Office note, no, seen, perused the order dated 27/6/2024. Passed by the learned law Zima court. Full stop. Service upon response number 7 is accepted to be complete. Para. Considering that this writ petition is of the year 2018, please for admission hearing on 24th September.
Obliged.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Para perused the order dated 30/8/2024 of the learned law Zima court. Full stop. Service upon response number 5 is accepted to be complete. List for admission hearing on admission hearing immediately after the Puja vacations.
I'm appearing for second verification.
And it's for respondent number 7.
Nambilagli here. Pida. So what is your name?
A Rashid.
A Rashid 47. Okay.
Give your place.
What to do?
Waiting for the response number 2, madam. The earlier director, madam. Now the incumbent melody has he has been changed, the director has changed long back.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Whereas Sri B. Kaushik, learned counsel is present for the sole respondent.
Response number 2, madam.
Response number 2. Full stop. He, however, submits that his client is no longer holding the post of director. Full stop. Be that as it may, comma, a further opportunity is granted to the petitioner to represent. Para. List on twenty-fifth of September.
When-
Next Wednesday.
My lord, sorry to say, your lordship, my item number was 41, your lordship. I was in port number 2, your lordship. I think service is completed, your lord.
We have said service is complete. Equal to 41. None appears. None appears. Okay. Will come immediately after the Puja vacations.
My bless you, lordship.
Your lordship. 2 weeks time is required, your lordship, to file appropriate application for implement of a new incumbent, your lordship.
Okay. You are not there, madam, in the clear.
My name is not in the cause list, your lordship.
Ms. So learned counsel for the petitioner pays for and is granted further 2 weeks time to file application for impleadment of new incumbent.
Pleasure.
Para Sri B. Kaushik learned counsel is present for the
Response number 2.
response number 2.
Obliged.
None appears for the applicant on call. Para. This court on 10/5, this court, comma, on the last occasion, that is I 10/5/2024, had passed the following order. Para. Office note does not indicate that any steps have been taken for service of notice. Para. In terms of the previous order, comma, the I stands dismissed. Yes, sir. Writ petition to all disposed of dismissed আসলে আইএ দিছিল রেস্টোরেশনের কারণে রিট পিটিশন তো অর্ডার পাস করা কথা না রিট পিটিশন অলরেডি ডিসমিসড আছিল আইএ রেস্টোরেশন আছে আইএ ডিসমিস হল এটো একো পাস কৰিব নালাগে এটো ডিসমিসল যাব আইএটো ঠিক Yes, yes.
This is a contempt petition, Your Lordship.
45 to 48.
Yes, Lordship. And this honorable court passed a judgment and order, common writ petition paper. And the order is a page.
Yes.
So in those cases, my lord, I have prepared the department has prepared review, my lord, but it was the common judgment where we have taken the stand that the DLA and the state were not acquired on the date.
This case is
The same judgment and reviews have been filed in these matters also.
in respect to this petition.
Yes, yes. In two writ petitions, I could trace out the filing numbers. In one of them, I have.
Admitted or not? Review.
Yes, yes, yes. Notices have been issued. Not admitted, but notices have been issued in those other review petitions arising out of the same judgment. The grounds are the same, my lord. A week or two, my lord. It's a common judgment.
Heard Sri S.D. Roy.
Yes,
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri R. Mazumdar, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2 has, however, informed that pursuant to a common judgment and order, comma, certain review petitions have been filed, including the incumbents in these cases.
Yes.
Incumbents, including the petitioners in these cases, that are orderable. Para. In view of the above, matters are, consideration of the matters are adjourned by 4 weeks. 4 weeks, least after the Puja vacation.
May I submit, however, we did not receive the review petition till late, Your Lordship. At least we should be.
Since he is appearing, you can serve him. At least he can contest the review.
Yes. Obliged.
Yes,
My lord, it has been completed.
complied with. Yes, madam.
Lordship, my senior is on left, the sir is coming, so kindly take the matter after.
Has it been complied or not? No idea. Yes, Madam Das, any instructions?
Yes.
Okay. Who is your senior?
Mr. S. Nat.
Oh, okay.
It is
Is he-
confirmed.
Yes, is he there in the court or not?
Yes.
We will close this, we'll record his presence, ask him to come, okay? Etu marichu diye. Heard Sri S. Nath, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri SMT Chisti,
For 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Lord.
Learned Counsel for the respondent was 1, 3,
3, 4, 5,
4,
and
5,
6.
and 6. However, submits that the order dated so and so, past in so and so has been complied with. In this connection, comma, he has presented a communication dated 13/9/2024 issued by the Inspector of Schools, Kachar District Circle, to the Director of Secondary Education, informing that the arrear salary of rupees 22,74, 450, 22,74,450 has been credited to the bank account of the petitioner. Para. In view of the aforesaid development, there is no requirement to continue with this contempt petition, and accordingly the same is closed. Ask Mr. Nath to come, okay?
Apply.
Give her a copy of the order.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Dusty notice upon respondent number 5 is duly served and he has been received.
Affidavit filed.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. Anyone has appeared? Anyone has appeared?
Respondent number 1, in the last location, respondent number 1,
No,
2,
5
3,
has appeared for, anyone appeared for 5? No.
No, your lordship.
Okay. In terms of the order dated 9/11/2023, steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 was taken additionally by Dusty. Full stop. The learned counsel, what is your name?
A Banerjee.
A Banerjee has submitted that such steps have been taken and the same was received. Full stop. Perused the order dated 6/5/2024 of the learned Lawazima Court regarding the Dusty service. Full stop. Service upon the respondent number 5 is accepted to be complete. Full stop. List 4. Yes, madam, affidavit
Your lordship, 4 weeks time may be granted.
on the prayer of Miss P. Das, learned standing counsel. This is what? Elementary, secondary education department. 4 weeks time is granted to file affidavit opposition.
Extra copy may given to us, your lord.
Okay.
Deeply okay.
If you apply.
Let extra copies of the petition be served upon her within 2 days.
Okay. Yes, sir. Deeply obliged.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Full stop. Wide the last order dated 21/8/2024. The learned counsel. Petitioner Nakoba, applicant, huh? Learned counsel was supposed to take instructions on the aspect of the acquisition of the land in question. Para, Miss so both give your names. You are for whom? Andy. NH, give your names. Are present. Para, in the interest of justice. List.
May kindly leave the matter after Puja.
List after the Puja vacations. Naam bilak loba. 50? Yes, 52.
My lordship, as per office note, my lord, the contender has received the notice, my lord.
Yes, education department, contempt matter, but you take some instructions. Director of Elementary Education, notice received. If she doesn't appear, then we will have to.
52.
There's an office note that notice have been received.
No.
Maybe there is some communication gap. Though we cannot force you to appear, but you take,
No.
okay. 'Office note dated 12/9/2024. Oh, it's a recent office note. Reflects that the sole respondent has been, reflects that notices have been served upon the sole respondent. Para. In the interest of justice, list after 2 weeks
No.
to enable the respondent to contest if so advised.
May I please, sir? The matter relates to constitution of school management committee, my lord.
Constitution of,
School management committee.
oh, SMDC, okay. Notice was issued.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 9.
you are the
Correct,
new
private
committee.
respondent.
New committee or what?
Yes.
Chairman,
Yes,
president.
Yes.
I filed affidavit.
we'll file affidavit, Lordship, 2 weeks time. Maybe.
Okay, and yes, you get the instructions, get the records. More, let him file affidavit. Your records will be more essential. Okay, what is your name?
And Jaman.
Respond number.
9.
The respond number 9 has entered appearance through Sri N. Jaman Learned Counsel, who prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Para. Sri P. N. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department, is directed to procure the records pertaining to the said selection. Directed to the said constitution selection of the school managing committee. Fifty-four to homo listen again, I could.
Your lordship,
Yes.
lordship, we have filed an IA lordship for impleadment the new incumbents as a contempt number 2 lordship.
Omi Burwa.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. What is your name, madam?
S.A. Khalifa.
Miss S.A. Khalifa, Learned Counsel for the applicant, submits. No, heard, Miss so, huh? Learned Counsel for the applicant. Applicant petitioner, full stop. By means of this petition, comma, the applicant has sought impleadment of the present Director of Higher Education as respondent number 2. Full stop. She has drawn the attention of this court to the communication dated 2/4/2024 issued to the said incumbent by registered post. Full stop. Para. Upon perusal, post, even whereafter, comma, no steps have been taken for compliance of the order in question. Full stop. Para. Considering the above, the IA stands allowed, and the following incumbent following incumbent is added as respondent number 2. Tolot nam to deliver, huh? And in the contempt you write. This court wide order passed today, that is so and so, has impleaded the following incumbent as respondent number 2. Tolot incumbent or nam director, sir. Miss S.A. Khalifa, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, is accordingly required to file amended cost title within a period of a week. Para. Issue notice to the newly implemented respond number 2. Let steps be taken for service of notice upon the said respond number 2 by registered post to TD. Steps within a week. First, file the amended cost title immediately.
Upload.
55 years.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, this is an I for substitution of contender number 1, Narayan 4.
Where is the notice, madam? There is no notice. This is a contempt petition, isn't it?
Yes, Lord.
You have to issue a notice. Then you file a contempt implement application. Where is the scope to implement? We keep this pending, issue notice to him. Okay, though this petition has been filed for implement of the present incumbent holding the post of secretary to the government of Assam, Department of School Education, there is nothing on record to show that the said incumbent has been informed about the order dated so and so passed in the connected WPC. Order dated 26/11/2021, connected WPC 868 of 2021, based on which the present contempt petition is pending. Full stop, para. Let para the learned counsel, your name?
S. Dole.
As Dole submits a praise for and is granted liberty to inform the said incumbent in writing and thereafter place on record such communication by way of additional affidavit. Full stop. If the requirement persists to proceed with the contempt petition, the same would be taken into consideration. List after 4 weeks. You send by registered post AD, then file an affidavit giving the receipt. As Dole in on behalf of JPAN. JPAN on behalf of government.
May I please spell?
Item number
57. I'm praying 1 week. Time to take 3 steps upon respondent number 3 and 4.
on the prayer made by Sri
J.I. Mundal.
J.I. Mondal,
Yes, sir.
the counsel for the petitioner, a week's time is granted to enable him to take fresh steps upon the respondents 3 and 4 by registered post with AD.
Obliged, sir.
List after 6 weeks, along with service report. $58.
Yes, sir. Yes. In the interim order, your lordship, on 7/8/2024, there's
Yes, madam,
Alternative-
instructions, you have received
Lordship,
instructions.
instructions are awaited, your lord.
Alternative arrangement has not yet made the Lordship. For the post of
Lordship, Lordship will give me some time to get the instructions
Okay.
whether.
It has not been yet compiled.
Okay, what is your name?
JP Burwa.
Sri JP Burwa, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that do in the order dated 7/8/2024, there was an interim direction. Not direction, there was a liberty was granted to the Director of Secondary Education to make alternative arrangement for in charge principal of the school in question, comma. No such alternative arrangement has been made. Para. Ms. So learned counsel for the
Secondary education.
secondary education. Praise for. And is granted 3 weeks time to obtain instructions in this regard. List on, we give a date. 3 weeks will be vacation. List on 23rd of October.
No,
Declared.
obliged. your lord.
Mr. Nath, we have recorded your name.
Yes.
I've got the order copy. It
Yes,
has
I've
been
got the order copy, my lord. The order has not been fully complied. This is my sub.
not been fully completed.
not
Why
been-
the area salaries have been
Error
paid?
is salary has been, the direction it is page 15. Direction is very much clear that he is be taken into the role during the time of amalgamation of the three schools. His name was dropped. So direction is to take him in the role and to pay it. This has been, amount has been paid up to February 2023. Till current salary is not getting, and although he is signing the registrar, but they have not taken his name. That is why he is not getting the current. This direction is very much clear. It is fully complex.
Let us see,
Page 49.
who was there on the other side? Let us see the order. কোনটো আছিলে?
Compliance দিয়া নাই মানে এইটো দিছে আমার এরিয়া স্যালারি একটা পোর্শন দিছে I am not getting current salary.
Now, what was the order for?
Order file on my I am reading page 15. I am reading it.
Page 15.
Page 15. Para 13. Considering the facts circumstances of the case, the direction is hereby issued to the respondent authority to consider the case of the petitioner for inclusion of the name of the petitioner as a grade 4 employee of the state Country High School and thereafter pay his current salary. Further, the arrears salary which effect from October 2017 shall be considered and paid to the petitioner. Then
The current salary is not paid since when?
not being paid.
Not
After
since.
2023, they have paid arrears up to 2023 February. So let them file a compliance report that the direction has been complied on.
This not be proper, this not be a pro compliance. Okay.
They have only said
Wait, 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 Lekhiba. Third Sri Asnath, huh? Learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri SMT 60. Has placed on record a communication dated 13/9/2024, from which it appears that an amount of rupees 22,74,450 has been credited in the bank account of the petitioner as arrears salaries. Full stop. Para. Para no, he accordingly submits that the order has been complied with. Para. Srinath has however submitted that the current salaries have not been paid. Para. List after 4 weeks to enable the learned counsel for the respondent to take instructions on the aspect of current salaries. Please inform Mr. Chief. And if he's around, ask him to come. সেইটো copy থাকিব. Copy. Is made part of the records. Mr. Chisti, the aspect of current salaries, that is a part of the order.
Current salary.
Yes, this is only arrears salaries. He says up to 2023, he has not been paid. We are just pending it by 4 weeks. You take instructions on the aspect of current salary. Order has two parts. Current salary, in fact, current salary was the principal part, and arrear salary. You have paid 22 lakh something arrear salaries.
Okay.
Current salary, you take instructions. Okay. This is item number. Yes, Letu. Timing kya asila?
My lord,
Lordship, because earlier actually the original records were called for your lordship, and the instructions that we have that the records were submitted to one of our councils, your lordship. But now is that the record is misplaced somewhere, your lordship. So lordship will give us
16
some time.
matter.
16 matter, your lordship. And on several occasions, time was taken on that.
No, if you cannot, do not have the records, whatever is there in the office, you
Lordship,
reconstruct it, but cannot wait your 16 matters when 2024, 8 years.
lordship, lordship.
What is the issue?
Issue regarding the selection and appointment in a
Junior
LDA post, my lord.
assistant, junior assistant.
Junior assistant post, my lord. And in the
Lordship, we
written
have
sta-
filed our affidavit, your lordship.
my lord,
No, if you have filed the affidavit, we can decide on the basis of the affidavit.
in the affidavit, my lord, it was admitted that I received higher mark than the respondent in written test. But in computer skill test, my lord, it was from that he got more mark than me, my lord. Therefore, this honorable court
Who's
directed
for the private respondent?
no one appeared, my lord. Copy has been served, my lord. And it is deemed to be served as there is an order, my lord.
We'll have this on Thursday.
Lordship.
Is it okay? Thursday?
My lord.
We'll go for disposal.
19.
Nine, my lord.
Okay.
Okay.
It is submitted on behalf of the department that the original records have been misplaced. Para. It is however informed that the affidavits have been exchanged. Full stop.
It has
Para.
been.
Considering that the matter is of the year 2016, listed for admission hearing on
19.
Thursday.
9.
Nine.
Right.
Okay.
Obliged.
My lord, actually, this matter is already decided by this honorable court, my lord. If your lordship go to the order dated, my lord, 6/3/2024, my lord,
6/3.
2024, my lord. Lordship kindly come to my lord, para 2 order has been mentioned and thereafter has been stated that para 3, my lord. Have you lordship got it?
Medical reimbursement.
Yes, my lord. That there is a specific direction to the author department higher education to convene a meeting convenient date, consider the issue for release of medical reimbursement rate and modality to be worked or release.
BTC, who is there? You're for BTC.
No, Lordship, I am for the higher education department, even the.
Who will take a decision, Mr. Chaudhary?
My
Is
lord,
the Borderland University.
they
Lordship, we
committee,
only provide
the-
28. Lordship.
the honorable court has said, my lord, para 6, my lord. If you look, see everything will be para 5, everything will be here. The order earlier passed by this honorable court that 6/12 to the categorically directed the respondent to work out a modality for release of the amount towards reimbursement of the medical bill. The minutes of the meeting do not reflect that department had even attempt to work out a modality. Such a decision arrived by department as is reflected minutes appear to be total violation direction of the honorable pass in order dated 6/12/2012 and 15. What happened, my lord? This honorable court, when decided the matter, my lord, has categorically, you see the higher education, Borderland University, as well as
Finance
BTC,
department.
and take a decision in respect of release of the fund. That was not done till
Who
today.
is PK Barwa, Standing Council, Borderland University? Name shown or not? Name shown or not? Item number, Mr.
20,
Chaudhary?
Lordship.
Item number 18.
20. Lordship, it has been shown, Lordship.
Why is it not
BTC,
a-
Borderland University, everything has been.
Who
Finance
is PK
department.
Barwa?
PK Barwa. এটা হেৰিয়ে কিয় কৰিছিল, এটা বেংগলী ল'ৰাটো বেংগলী ল'ৰাটোৱে একে কৰিছিল তিন কৰি কোন নো?
It's one date of.
19 matter, this is very unfortunate.
Yes, Lordship.
Name shown. Wednesday. Try to inform Mr. P.K. Barua. Do Sri NNB Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri D. Upamanyu, learned standing counsel, Health Department, Higher Education Department are present.
Dear my lord, name was not mentioned, my lord. SC Higher Education, SC BTC, SC Finance Department, SC Boroland University, SC Elementary Education.
No, no, সেইটো বেলেগ, সেইটো বেলেগ।
No, honey.
সেইটো একোই।
বিশটো বিশতে চোৱা নহয়, এই নাম দিয়া নাই তাম।
কি কয়, are present, comma. The standing counsel Boroland University is not present. Full stop. Cause this reflects SC Boroland University. Full stop. Let the name of Sri, and this court has been informed that Sri P.K. Barua.
I don't know, my lord.
His name,
It is there in the order.
the previous order reflects
Oh, yes, yes.
that Sri P.K. Barua, learned counsel,
Oh,
is the
KK
standing
is-
counsel.
KK Day, my lord.
KK Day and Lordship, there is one more.
KK Day, Standing Council Boroland University, my lord. 62.
KK Day, Lordship.
That-
KK Day.
R. Borbuzari.
No, no, he is for finance.
That's Sri KK Day and Sri P.K. Barua. No, no, KK Day is the learned standing counsel of the Boroland University. Para, in the interest of justice, and considering the issue involved, and in the interest of justice, list on Wednesday next, day after tomorrow.
Lordship, can it
Cause
be
list,
Friday? Can it be on?
Friday, this court will have to rise early.
Okay.
Friday, this court has to go for a conference. On
Wednesday.
Wednesday, by reflecting the name of Sri KK Day, Standing Counsel, Boroland University, in the cause list. Please inform Mr. KK Day.
Yes, my lord.
My
KK
lord,
Day, Mr.
I am sorry, my lord. My item was 44, my lord. It was decided by default, my lord. It was not decided on merit. Item 44, my lord. On this date,
Forty-four.
my lord. Order cited, my lord.
Well, IA for what?
My IA for my lord dismissed for default, my lord. One Friday, my lord, I was in the court. Subsequently, my assumption is that case will not reach at before 1 p.m. But when I went to Namas, my
There's
lord,
some order on the last date
eh,
that if you do not take steps,
my lord, step to office, my lord. As per official, my lord, service complete, my lord.
why aren't you there? Well, some colleagues needs to be there. You're not alone.
No, sir.
44 yesterday.
Service
What was the order? Let us see.
step taken, my lord, complete.
44. IA to deliver.
My lord, office note 3924, my lord.
Sorry, you have not taken steps.
My lord,
6/3/2024.
my lord, after my lord, office note, my lord, 3924 and 9924, service complete, my lord. Upon
39,
my lord, 3924, my lord, office note.
39.
My
Where?
lord.
In which case?
My lord, in IA, my lord.
I had the last Lozima code is 6/3/2024.
Item 44, no. IA.
এইটোতো হ'বই নোৱাৰে না এইটোতো নহয় এইটোতো disposed of এইটোতো হ'ব নোৱাৰে. Yes, kindly show us.
IA 44, my lord. I have checked the record. It's office.
এইটো আনকচোন
Look at the order. 10-5. 10-5 of it, no? Not to consider it in election. On the prayer made on behalf of the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on Thursday for you, but asylum. Thursday.
Published. Highly of.